Mic check, mic check, mic check. What up, chat? What's going on? Summertime, summertime. How are we doing today? How are we doing today? Not a bad day, huh? Not a bad day so far, at least. How are you doing, chat? What's going on? All right, chat, what's up? Welcome back to another day. Yeah, welcome back to another day. So today is February 14th, which is Valentine's Day today, chat. So make sure you spend some time with your significant other. But yeah, for the morning, we're gonna spend some time with gold. Hopefully, you know, we go on a nice little trip with gold. Yeah, a big forward today, chat. CPI at 8:30 a.m. Eastern, huge forward today. So if you're trading gold today, just, you know, be aware, be careful. You have a huge fall there at 8:30, which is in about an hour and 30 minutes, an hour and 40 minutes, I'll say. What I will say though is that by the looks of it, looks like we will be able to catch a move beforehand. If we can catch a move before CPI, that'd be cool. But obviously I'll be here after CPI for a bit. I'm gonna get off today, like maybe 10 a.m. So we got plenty of time. We got 3 hours left, right? But yeah, CPI is today, so be aware. And yeah, let's hop on that trust and see what's going on here. So first things first, I'm just in a Zoom call. I'm gonna do a quick analysis since it came a little late today, and you have tons of volume, which I do see and expect price to push through this 7 a.m. counter here. But let's take a look here. So this light turns off again. Hold on, chat, watch this. Jeez, it works now. All right, so Zoom link and this and there. It's been a good week though. Been a good week. It's been a good month so far. Let's keep it going. Okay, so yeah, news today: CPI 8:30 a.m. Eastern, core CPI 2, and then tomorrow you have retail sales, I think, and then the day after that, I think you have a PPI, core PPI, and then Friday chilling. So next 3 days will be very volatile. Expect a lot of shit to happen in the markets. Yeah, let's get started today. So today's candle on gold here is obviously pretty straightforward. You know, like technical analysis shows us what. Like I said, the weekly is bearish. We're heavily bearish. The weekly time frame actually closed back into the range here, right? And I mentioned to you guys how I would not expect a steeper wick this week, just because we kind of created a wick last week. But again, let's see what happens. The daily time frame closed bearish below the range today as well. If you guys take a close look, you're gonna notice that we closed below this resistance here, right? So everyone knows here that if we're closing below this resistance support, where are we gonna go next? Look left, you have clean traffic as you're breaking back into this area here on price. So you'll probably see us come down towards 1820, 1830 here by the end of the day, as long as you don't break that daily kind of high. Right, the day kind of high is up here at like 18. What is this? 18. 1867, 125. So as long as you don't break the daily kind of high, any given point, price can still drive down, flip bearish. So with that being said, yeah, I would expect today's candle to kind of come down like this, and fill the rest of the range. This is like price action. This is what price action shows us. Obviously, you have news that can come into play, but if it wasn't for news today, price action alone, straightforward, pretty easy bias for price, right? So how will I get sells today if I'm looking for sells? So let's see. Daily candle is flipping bearish. It flips bearish at 1853.093 or 1852.671. The 4 candle here broke the lows here. That's cool. You broke the lows. The 1 hour time from here is gonna close bearish in about 1 minute here, or sorry, 10 minutes here, or 9 minutes here. Sorry, 9 minutes here. So by the looks of it, as long as you close bearish, I would say below here. As long as you close bearish below here, you'd be good to go down on the next 1 hour candle, which is going to be somewhere down here at the what level is this? At the 1851 147 mark. So as long as you close below there, you should be good to drive down towards 1851. You just need a closure below first, and then you can start to come down and fill the range, because if you were to close below, you're gonna likely come down and fill this range here to the left below 1857 to come down towards 1851. All right, so be aware of that. Yeah, 9 minutes left for a 1 hour. If I'm trading in 5 or anything like that, I'm waiting for the 1 hour closure at this point to see how that closes. But I think the sells be great below. So where was the 1 hour support, right? 1856, right? Where did I have it again? 1856 57021. Okay, cool. So what is this you have here? Yeah, probably sells below here. Probably you're gonna need a 1 hour closure below 1857, obviously, but after you get a closure below there, you can add take a sell, or you can take a sell off the 5 once you close below this support here to the left, right? Because there is a minor support here that you gotta be aware of on price. So I'll prefer we can close below here, 1854 441, and then we can look to drive down towards where, probably coming down towards these levels to the left here. Yeah, 18, because that's where the 4 breaks the lows again, right? So then you'll have clean traffic coming down towards 1851.234. So that's probably your next target. If you were to break below 5.4, 5.1, right? It's like a 30 pip range going down, 25 30 pip range, not too bad. You could take sells prior to that, but again, the 1 hour needs to close first here for us to make that decision. There is resistance here, so things will get interesting in this area. Let's see. Yeah, right here is perfect. Off the 15, off the 30. What's going on with this light? You know what? The lights is broken. But yeah, chat. I'll say sells for me today would be below probably 1854, 437, and then as for sells, before that, we may get sells before that, but I'm gonna need that range to form. I'm also gonna need this 1 hour closer, so I'll prefer if we can wait for that to form, because if you can come up to like this resistance here, let's say this resistance, and then price can just create some type of range here, and we close back into the range, closing bearish below these levels here, then cool. At that point, we can take sells, but that's gonna take a lot of counts to form, and as of right now, we don't have that yet, so we can't really make that decision yet for price. I'll prefer we can just take sells below 1854 as of 654, all right, until we actually form that resistance up there once the 1 hour closes. But yeah, that's gold here, chat. So I mean, pretty straightforward day. It's either we get a position before news, or we don't get a trade during news and wait for after news. So I'll say if we don't get a trade by like 8:10, 8:05, then we're waiting for news. News comes on 8:30, wait for news to play out. No buy stops, no sell stops, no degen mode. And then after that, what we do is we sort of go and wait for news to play out. Maybe 8:35, 8:40, we'll take a position at that time. If not that time, and let's say I'm in a situation where I'm waiting for the 4-hour close, we'll wait for the 4-hour close, and then your position would be at 9:30 or something. So it's either gonna be like probably 7 to 8 a.m. trades today, or it's gonna be 9 to 10 a.m. trades today. Like that's basically how the day is gonna go probably. And you're gonna see it too. You're gonna see what I mean later on. So just remember what I said about 7 to 8 or 9 to 10, but it won't be 8:30 to 8:45. I'll tell you that, or at least 8:15 to 8:30. But yeah, man. No trades since yesterday. I took one trade yesterday, and that's about it. No overtrading, no random trades after that. That's it. Right, it's been a pretty chilled February. I've been chilling, been relaxing. This is a pretty chill month, you know. Is that Can beating himself up over a runner? My runner on gold ran 40 pips. Wait, why didn't you trail? Wait, why didn't you trail though? That's the question, Can. You know what to do. Riff Raff, what up? Dark Vader, gold selling CPI. It could go up, it could go down. I don't know. I ain't no I ain't no Houdini, you know what I mean? Man, my eyes are. Need some coffee today for CPI. Sheesh. Res Robin, I should resonate in here. Man. Two minutes left. So I would want us to close below here, and then after closing below here, I'll prefer we can get either a top wick to 1859, 1860 before again the onion play coming back down, or we just wait for a closure below 1854 for 40. You know what I mean? Both are fine. Because look left during the 1 hour time frame, right? What you're looking at right now is you're looking to see what price is mirroring. And let's say price might be mirroring this to the left here. So if we were to close like below this support, right, you're probably gonna need or below this support, you're probably gonna need the next candle to kind of come out, create a top wick into these levels here, because that's where price created a top wick last time in these levels here. So you probably want that to form before you start to head down, right, to mirror that candle and fill that wick on a 1 hour time frame. Like if we're in a situation where we break the highs and you start to flip bearish, I'll just take a sell off the rip. But there's a lot of volume for that to happen, or a lot of volume needs to come for that to happen. Any advice on when to cash profit in a trade or let it run? Obviously, price changes direction and show stops, but sometimes I feel like I should just take it all rather than half closure, etc. To be honest, I've been closing full of my positions all year long. I don't think I ever closed half position. Maybe one time, like a small lot, like a $5 or something, but I haven't really like been in a situation where I close half. I've been out of trailing stops, 10% profit, or I've been closing full at 10. Haven't really closed half. It's up to you, really. If you want to close 75%, let the rest rock. But the whole point of runners is for the runners to make more than your initial position. You know what I mean? Like that's why runners are there. Runners not just there for you to for them to just be there. It's there for you to actually understand that, okay, these runners here can make me more than my initial profit. If I'm making on a 100 lot, or on a one lot $100, this runner could make me $200 once I secure my 10 pips or whatever, my $100, right? So yeah, they're meant for you to they're meant to make more than your initial position. Like that's the whole point of runners. Yeah, so this 1 hour kind of did not close below here, so it looks like I can't get sells here until we break below 1854 at least. So it's gonna be a boring 15 minutes, chat, I'll tell you that. The last time you used indicators, trend lines, or Fibonacci, maybe 2019. 2019. You have any fear of losing money more as you have money you can afford to lose? Was this same case when you first started trading? I haven't had a fear of money since I haven't had a fear of losing since like I went full time. But not because like, do you mean like fear of blowing my account? Because that's, or do you mean like a fear of fear of losing a trade? Because I don't fear losing a trade, even if I'm risking 1-2%. Like even back then, did not fear of losing a trade, because when you're confident in your analysis, you know that if you were to do the same thing again tomorrow, like I always say, you'll be fine. Things will come naturally. Going back to your back testing. Are you all in a trade? No, we're not. Trades taken from yesterday. Let me delete that. Do you think it's actually easier to make money, to trade once you don't actually need to make money to live? You know what, man? You know how you can fix that too? Samuel, you could get a job. If you get a job, you don't have to rely on trading. I think one issue with traders is that they rely on trading to make and pay their bills when they have no proof or no consistency on the charts yet. They have no consistent income coming in. It's just kind of like, oh, one nice week, next week is gone. One nice month, next month is gone, right? So when you're not consistent or profitable yet, what's gonna happen to you is you're likely gonna have more pressure on yourself to make money, and that's why it affects your trades in a bad, negative way. So if you're not in a situation where you're comfortable yet and you need money to live, to pay your bills and shit, I suggest you get a job or something that's more consistent, sustainable. And then once you actually get consistent with trading, then yeah, sure. Once you have, let's say, a year of savings up or whatever your situation is, I don't know what situation you're in, but let's say a year of your savings up, then cool. Try it out for a year and see how you do that year without work. But I mean, yeah. Trading is there should be no pressure whatsoever. And if you do feel pressured, then you need to get a job. Nothing wrong getting a job and working and trading at the same time. Just don't trade at work, but make sure you have a balanced schedule. Okay, cool. I work during the Asian session, or I work during a New York session. Okay, so trade Asian, trade London. Make some time for a certain session every day. Even if it's not the most volatile session, it's fine. At least you're still in the charts and you're still applying the same discipline, right? It's not about the volume, it's about the discipline. So, like, one trade doesn't get you rich during New York session, I'll tell you that. So you're not missing out much if you're trading Asian every day. Like, there should be no pressure on you right now to trade. No pressure. The only pressure should be yourself. What are you gonna do when Metroid closed? Didn't it already close? Or didn't Metroid already didn't is the MT5 already off the App Store? $146 likes only? Come on, chat. If you guys come to the streams here, make sure to leave a like, smash the like button, sub to the channel. Charge for a stream can? Yeah, let's see your 40 pip runner here. Trade taken yesterday, London at 2:24 a.m. So what happened here? Wait, hold on. How can we take this trade? There's no closure above the range. What happened here? Why'd you take this trade? I see you have a nice level marked up, I'll tell you that. You have some nice levels marked up right here, but why'd you enter the trade though? Oops. Yeah, why'd you enter the trade for? It's a nice support here, right? That's cool. But when did you ever have a closure? And even if you did have a closure, no top wick here. You entered over here though, that's different, right? And also, even if you did enter, you were up maybe 15 pips here. Price came up and tapped the minor resistance level. And at that point, it hit BE, right? Or that's where we will go break even at least. You came up, you tapped this minor resistance here. That is your, I think if you entered at 65,710, price came up to like 66.7 probably. That was 10 pips. That was BE for sure. For sure. Worst case. Oh, you entered in closure. But here, so you entered here. So you entered here. The 5 had no top wick, right? What pair is that again? That is gold on a 5 at what time? 2:25 a.m. Where? What time though? 2:25, not my time. Because it does not look like that on my time. Where's the wick? Where's the wick? Right here. Oh, yesterday at 2:25. Eh? Yeah, that was yesterday then. You entered right here. On this candle. Let's see. 1 hour was breaking highs. Yeah, if you look at a 1 hour and a 4, I mean the 4 and 1 hour breaking a high is cool, but I think the day bias that day was what? It was bearish, right? I think the issue with this was no top wick on a 1 hour time frame, honestly. No top wick on a 1 hour time frame. Or on the 15, or sorry, the 5, your entry. Are you Filipino? No. No wick, no continuation. Well, not necessarily. Like also the 1 hour in that case is very choppy too, like during that trade. But not necessarily, especially in the 5-2. But for me to have a trade of no top wick on a 5, I'm gonna need the 1 hour to align as well. In that case, the 1 hour did not align as much. The 1 hour kind of just was that resistance, right? But yeah, no top wick basically means like, so like when you guys look at wicks, right, you're gonna see that whenever price were to come up. So let's say like this is for instance 4 hour time frame here, right? So let's say this is a 4 hour time frame, and on the 4 hour time frame you have a nice candle going up like this, right? You have a nice bullish candle printing up like this. So if this is a 4 hour time frame, right, let's say this were to be the 1 hour time frame. So in a 4 hour candle, how many 1 hour candles do you have? You have 4, right? Because 4 1 hour candles equals to 1 4 hour candle, 159 a.m. Eastern every day, for Orlando's charts at least. But if that was to be the 4 hour time frame, how would that look in a 1 hour time frame? Probably something like this. Probably something like this. Like ideally, it looks something like this, right? And then you have a bearish close, and that bearish close creates a top wick for you, right? So if this was the 4 hour time frame right here, then this right here would be the 1 hour time frame. Why? Because you got a low over here, you got a low over here, you got a high over here, got a high over there, you got a closure, got a closure. So what that closure means, what this wick means here, because a wick is a range, right? A wick is a range because on the right side here, if you look at it, all that's happening really is we're creating a range here. This is just a range formed, right? That's your resistance, there's your support. So if this is your range form, there's a high chance when price fills the wick, like people say, oh, price must fill the wick. But reality, what's happening is as price fills the wick like this, on the 1 hour time frame, on the 4 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, what happens is you're forming support here, and then you're going up to retest the highs. That's all that is, and you're breaking out the range. It's just a range form for continuation. So when price fills the range, this is what the price is doing. So that's what happens when you have a wick. You have a range, because a wick is a range. A range is a wick. A wick is a range. A range is a wick. Wick is a range. A range is a wick, right? So if you don't have a wick, then you have no range. And when you have no range, you can't drive because you're just use that resistance, right? At any given point, you can just reject. So when you have no top wick, you're not going to have this range here. You're just going to look something like this probably. Like this is going to be the 4 hour time frame. It's just going to be at this resistance. So that is why that is what no top wick means, right? And that's why a lot of your trades, when you have no top wick, let's say the 1 hour 30 or the 4 hour, whatever it is, there's a lower chance of that candle actually driving up because you have no top wick on that price. Now there's a difference though between a no top wick candle and a no bottom wick candle, but the no bottom wick stuff, I want to let that go for another video. Or if you guys want, there's Nightbot can help you out with that in chat. All right, did we tap the 769 mark? No, we did not. Did we tap our 59? Not. Cool. So yeah, it's gonna be a dead, like I said, it was gonna be a dead 15 minutes here, and it was definitely a dead 15 minutes here. It's probably gonna be another dead 15 minutes as well at this point. You can just kind of tell, right? With experience and time, you can kind of tell when you're gonna see volume. It's gonna be another 15 minutes here before we get anything minimum, unfortunately. Nah, it's being recorded, Circle. You can clip that for today, sir. How's Blue make its profit? Spreads, commissions. But gold there's no commissions, or metals there's no commissions, but there is still spreads. And also other pairs, they maybe just sacrifice gold. I don't know, to promote their broker. But hey, $7. I wouldn't even mind paying $7 a lot for gold, to be honest. That's usually that's the industry standard usually, right? So let's say one day they were to charge prices on gold, I wouldn't mind. It's like any other broker I've been with. Commission's commission. I mean, it is what it is. If you're complaining about commissions and that's the reason not profitable, that's not the case. Because commission is only like less than a pip of your trade. Trust me. Commissions ain't anything, man. You'll be fine. We like more commission on spread. I would prefer lower spreads than commission. I can get charged $14 a lot if I don't care, as long as I have small spreads. Because I don't look at commissions. I really don't. It doesn't bother me. It doesn't affect me. It's just commissions. It's just a pip or two. Your win streak ended? I'm on a win streak too. I'm on a... We haven't lost all month. Oh no, one... Well, these are one trades basically. These are all one trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think all 7 trades were called too, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 7, 8 basically. Not bad. How can I trade on Blueberry for per commission? What do you mean? I trade on Blueberry because Blueberry doesn't have commissions. It's regulated, and it has low spreads. What do you mean? It has everything. I mean, I can go to a different broker, but Blueberry has been... I've been using Blueberry for... I think it's almost been a year. I think it's been like maybe 9 months, 10 months. Is it demo? What does it look like demo? I don't think demo account will stay live. Especially on a broker I don't own. What's 9.5 pips? That was on a plane. That was on a plane. This trade here was on the plane. That was over here. The first. Wait, what day was that? The third, sorry. Those are these trades on a plane. When by your Lambo? I'm in Canada, so the Urus, maybe next year or something. Honestly, I swear the M4 is more powerful than the Urus. I think if I get a Urus, I'll be fine. I'll be chilling. I can't get a Aventador or anything though. I can't get that in Canada. I can't drive that. Too much snow. Too much like. Ain't gonna happen. No, but the year is probably like maybe like next 2 years, I'll say. Crazy thing you bought yourself to date? What do you mean? In terms of what though? Like in terms of car, obviously the car. In terms of what? In terms of clothes. I mean, I've had times where I spent 5K on jeans. But that was before Forex. I've had drip before Forex. A lot of traders, you know, get profit first, then get drip. And the drip's kind of eh. But I've done that before Forex. Probably a car. Yeah, probably a car. I got a lot of time to buy a lot of stuff, but I've been trying to, you know, I'm chilling. Like I understand that any given point, you know, in this industry, in this game, anything can happen, and you gotta be careful. You gotta be aware. You gotta be ready. So that's why I don't go too crazy, because again, any given point can all be gone. Something can happen. Who knows? But hey, man, I've seen it all. I've seen it happen. I've seen it happen before, where I had it all, then I lost it all. Had it all, then I lost it all. So now that I kind of have it, like I don't want to lose it all, right? So I've been chilling. I haven't been going too crazy. Like, yeah, I bought a car, but that's about it. Like, it's nothing crazy. It wasn't like the car was maybe like around 85 or something, 85K or something. But it wasn't like a 200K, 300K car or anything. You know, it wasn't that crazy. Yeah, this is not before. It's not crazy. That's how withdrawal to protect. Nah, this account. Like, I don't think this account in my head. Realistically, this can be gone. And if this account were to be gone, it'd be fine. Because understand, it's on a broker. It's not my broker, obviously. And at any given point, any broker out there could just run away with your money. And understand that. So this account's gone, and it's gone. That's why I only have a certain amount in my account. I'm never gonna have, like, maybe, I don't know, maybe, but like, I'm never gonna have anything too crazy in my account, you know? Like, I'm comfortable having this in my account. If tomorrow they were to run away, I'll be fine with this. If they run away with this, cool. So be it. But it won't hurt me or anything. Yeah, you guys are pocket watching, huh? You guys are pocket watching. Yeah, how you guys on pocket watching? You guys don't even know what I do. Like, like, you guys don't even know what else I do. What are things I do? You know, is it just FX? Yeah, I have other investments. Yeah, you guys don't know. Yeah, all you guys know is I trade FX. That's the thing. And that's all I'm gonna give you guys. That's all I trade. All I do is I trade FX. I don't do anything else. That's all I'm gonna tell you guys. Or that's all you guys know, at least. That's all you guys gonna see. I'll give you guys all the sauce for FX. Every single bit of the sauce. Every single bit of information I have. Everything. But as for other stuff, you know, I can only give so much, you know. Otherwise, it's not to be something else. It's downvote something else underscore something. Yo, for real, play hockey for Leafs. You mentioned as LLC, only benefits to CR for tax. Yeah, but it's a good way to keep yourself organized too. But yeah, I don't have an LLC. I have a something in Canada called corporation. So I am an employee for my own company. So I have a company in Canada, and I am my own employee. So whatever I do make goes into that company, and then I pay myself dividends whenever I want. Let's say I gotta make a big purchase, cool, boom. Let's say I wanna, you know, just expenses each month. Okay, here, 2K, 3K, couple K, all right? So that's how I kind of do it. And then when you pay taxes, you gotta pay taxes for, pay taxes for your business, which is your company, and then you also gotta pay taxes for yourself because you're getting paid as an employee. So you know how you get paid at work from a company, from your whatever. Let's say you work at the grocery store, you get paid at a grocery store. You gotta do taxes for yourself. So same as me, I gotta do taxes for my business and then taxes for myself because the business is my company, yeah, but it's not. It's like I'm getting paid from them. And if you want to go deeper in that, there's ways where you can open up a bunch of other stuff and kind of dive deeper. But that's just the basics. That's just the simple stuff that you must have, I'll say. You can open up another company and then make that company pay for that company. You know, it's you can go a long way with it, man. But you talk to your accountant before you do anything. Make sure, you know, your account knows what's up, what you're trying to do. Yeah, but get a good account. Accounts aren't that expensive. You can get a decent one for maybe a couple thousand. Come to Cape Town. One of my first mentors were actually from Cape Town. You know what, man? Where's my list of traders? Hold on, I gotta add this guy. Man, I gotta add this guy. I gotta add this one person. I forgot his name. I'll add him under here somewhere because he was like one of the first guys. I'll add him under here. Ref Wayne. I remember this guy. Is that his name? I think that's his name. Oh man, that was a funny time. That was a funny time. I think a lot of people know him. A lot of people don't know him, but he's from I think he's from Cape Town. Why didn't you swing trade? I already did it in my life. I do what I do now for a reason. I've already done it. You guys are calling him scammers? Yeah, but I learned from him at one point in my life. I've learned to place buy and sell styles from him, so I gotta put him to the list of mentors. Just because someone's a scammer doesn't mean you can't learn from them. Like, if you look at my list, like, you know, it's like, you know, it's a little, some people are a little sketch, not gonna lie, but I did learn from them, so I can't say anything. I can't say that I didn't learn something from them. I learned how to place a buy stuff from this guy, so I gotta put him on a list of mentors. You know what I mean? Because they didn't scam until after, if anything, but yeah, learn to place buy stuff and stuff. So that's from that guy. I don't know though. I haven't kept up with him since. I don't trade nothing like him anymore, obviously, but yeah, a list of mentors, you know, some sketchy stuff in here, but can't say I didn't learn from them. All right, trading news. Oh look, we tapped 60 here. Perfect. So we broke the 1 hour highs though. We tapped 1860. Again, sells below 1857 or sells below 1854, but it's 8:30 here, so 50 minutes has gone by. We have some volume here, which is good. You may see us get a position either if we break below 1856 or either as for buys today. Like, I don't think I'm interested in buys until news plays out. Yeah, let's see until news plays out. I'm not interested in buys until news actually plays out, or until news at least. I'll be looking for sells until then, below 5.6 or below 5.4. But news is in the way at 8:30, so Mom FX. Well, the thing is about Mom FX is that when I was already consistent and profitable, he already came up. Like he came up after. Like I saw his name come up like maybe in 2021, 2020. So like at that point I was already, you know, I never really looked into that stuff. I stopped like really looking at other traders and following them. Yeah, I just never came across him early, at least. All these guys here I came across early, so yeah. But a man loses losses. Who? You only delete your losses if you have your own broker and you have MT5 manager on your own broker. MT5 manager. What got you into trading, bro? Seriously, my boy. I think around this time, like 5 years ago, my boy hit me up. He's like, "Yo, Don, do you have you ever do you know trading currency trading?" I'm like, "What is that? What's currency trading?" He goes, "Oh, it's basically you can trade currency pairs, you can trade gold, you can trade oil." I'm like, "Oh, cool." Didn't care. I'm like, "Okay, cool." Like, I don't care. Like, bro, I'm in school right now for graphic design, and then next thing you know, the next day I'm like, "Yo, what was that thing you told me about again yesterday?" 'Cause I saw an article or something. You know how like Instagram listens, like your phone listens to you, and then once someone says something, an ad pops up or something. So I kept seeing ads after for FOREX. I'm like, "What is this?" Basically what happened was, I'm like, "Cool, so this is what it is," or he tells me what it was. Then I'm like, "Okay, cool." So I think the next day I opened up a demo account. And then what got me hooked was on a demo account was when I made 30K on a demo account. I know it's a demo account, so I knew it was fake, but I'm like, wow, I just made 30K on SPX 500 because that was my first pair, SPX 500. I'm like, wow, 30K, just like that, on the bus, on the way to school. Damn. Next thing you know, 2 days after that was a Wednesday. The Friday, guess what I did? Hugo'sWay.com. Lowered up $200 to live account, and ever since then I haven't been on demo. Ever since then. So yeah, blew 20 accounts and 20 to 30 accounts in the process, but you know, it's worth it, obviously. But yeah, that was how I started trading. You know, it's how it went. We'll move our plan next right now below 1856 here. So if you had a closure below here, that'd be cool. This whole morning I've been saying once you tap 1860, 1861, I'll look for sells below 1856 or 1854. And you actually came on to tap 1860 because look left, you're mirroring this traffic to the left here, I'll say. This kind of traffic. So if you can flip bearish here in a 1 hour, close below on a 1 on a 5, you can easily take sells coming down, or you could take sells coming down. Not easily, don't use those words, but you could look for sells coming down. That's what I meant. If you close below. If you don't close below, then chalk it up. What was your deposit in the account that you actually managed to grow? 5K. $5,000. 5K led to 10K, led to 15K. You know, and then at the time, like my job was only paying me 20K a month, or a year, sorry, a month. Oh, that's a good job. 20K a year. But I was a part-time worker, not 16. I was like 18-year-old part-time worker, so I was pretty decent, like 25K a year, pretty decent for my age at the time. For my first job. So, but Who is an ecom? Anyone here has a successful ecom? A site, store? You have an agency? Nice. That's cool. So what do? You manage the e-com stores and get a cut of each? Like some guy pays you, how it goes, some guy pays you a couple thousand, 10K, whatever, and then they just invest into your agency? I've seen that before. I don't know. I've seen that before though. I know people who do that. You manage ad accounts. I see. I see. Did 1K drop shipping in 2 weeks. Yeah, before I started trading FX, I was actually I started drop shipping as well. It didn't work out for me. I made maybe $5 or $20, something like that. I'm like, okay, cool. On to the next. I just gave up quick. Honestly, if I stuck around with that, I think it would have been fine. But FX, I liked FX a lot more. You don't gotta deal with anybody. You don't gotta deal with customer service. It's just ecom. I mean, ecom is great too. Like, or drop shipping, once you actually get there and you can actually like pay people to work for you, like VAs and stuff. But I don't know. It's a lot. I mean, I guess both industries are a lot to get into, but trading is just you in the charts. You don't gotta talk to nobody, see nobody, unless you're streaming, and you can just enjoy your time trading by yourself, not having to talk or socialize with anybody or rely on anybody. It's just you in the markets. That's it. So that's why I love Forex. I love FX. If you want to do it, it's kind of free. I got you. Yeah, we got a Discord channel. In a Discord channel, we have something called side hustles. So you can talk about those things in your side hustles. It's in the hustles channel. Yeah, I'm introvert, so you know, I don't like being around people too much because sometimes it's like I like to just chill alone. People are too much work for me. I know. Sometimes they are. But I like being around people. But just not all day, every day, you know? Like every now and then, cool. Every couple weeks, cool. But every day I'll be exhausted, bro. I gotta socialize and... If I ain't making money with you, bro, I don't know what to tell you, man. I got better things to do. You know? But, you know, I can see you every now and then. I'm always gonna see my boys every now and then, but if I ain't making money with you, I'm not talking to you every day. I'll tell you that. I'm not gonna text you being like, hey, what's up? What are you doing today? Sells in the 50-minute fake out. Yeah, so the sells in the 50-minute fake out isn't too bad. The thing is, I would prefer if the 1 hour can fully flip bearish and then close below the 5. The 15 flip, you have no bottom wick here, so this candle can come down, create a bottom wick for that candle, and just flip bullish again, right? Because it closed above, so it's either you get a 15 bearish closure back in the range, or you get like a 1 hour flip or something for sells / 5-minute closures. I would much prefer that. But yeah, 5 minutes left for a 15. Maybe the 15 closes in 5 minutes here. It won't be too bad, but... Where's Wix 9? He is here. He is here. He has made his entrance, but he hasn't made his full entrance yet. FXLG, do you know what that is? Yeah, I do. I only heard of him like maybe 2 weeks ago. Not gonna lie. I'm not in the mix like that, but I've only heard of him like maybe 2 weeks ago. I know I'm a little late to that probably, but I don't know. Yeah. I didn't know who Lamuraru was. Like he kind of followed me a couple months ago. I'm like, oh shit. Lamuraru. Sick. Who's this guy? He's cool. He's cool. He's cool. Any call put? This isn't stocks. This is FX trading. So no, right now we're not in positions. We're waiting for closures below 1856 or below 1854 for sells here. Does it matter the one I broke the highs? No, because like end game point can still flip and close below. It wouldn't bother me, no. Obviously, if it breaks the highs here and starts to come back up and re-break the highs and start to close the bullish in the 5 minute on its way back up, then yeah, you can kind of worry. But no, I wouldn't worry about the 1 hour breaking the highs just yet. You have 18 minutes left for a closure. The 8 AM closure will tell you how it's gonna close anyways. So you might as well wait for that. FXLG made my introduction to real FX with clean charts, but your daily streams is what makes me profitable. Nice, thank you, man. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Glad you're profitable. Keep going. Keep going. Keep striving. Keep getting better. I'm playing Apex. Where's Loopy? Yeah, Loopy. Loopy. I still talk to him. That's my boy. That's my boy. It's one of the only guys that I met through FOREX that I actually got very close with. So I talk to him every other day. What rank are you? I got to plat within like 2 months and that's it. Like I first started playing, I got the plat and that's it. I never passed plat, but I've only played for maybe 2-3 months max. That was it. I think I got to plat within 30 days. Not gonna lie. But I couldn't get higher than plat 3. Nah, Dustin, that didn't happen. You didn't carry nobody. I carried you. That's what happened. I carried you, you plat. Why is it good at everything you do? I'm not. It's just the thing about me is I could be decent at everything I do, but I can never be fully good. Like, I mean, aside from just working stuff, right? But like in general, just like stuff in general, like I can never be like good enough to make it out. Like let's say I'm good at volleyball, yeah, but I can't be good enough to make the league. But I'm decent. Like I'm always like decent. I'm always above decent or decent, but I can never be the best, you know. That's how I was. If someone consistently makes $200 per month, that's a profitable trader, right? Well, depends. You can make $200 a month and that can be 1%. You can make $200 a month, that can be 100%. You can make $200 a month and that can be 5%. So it depends what percentage that is a month. But also depends for how long. Like what in terms of consistency, are you talking about a year straight of $200 a month, 2 years straight, 3 years straight? What do you mean? Like a week straight? Nah, debatable. A couple days, you're probably gonna blow it. A month, you can set that one day, you know. So like, what do you mean though? Like in what term length are you talking about? Wix 9.
Smoke weed every day.
It's the Undertaker.
What's the deal?
What's the deal?
Same shit, different toilet seat.
Word. It's covered. Hey, this is a family friendly stream. You can't do that here. The screen was too big for a second. I forgot.
What do you mean? What you talking about?
Nothing. Nothing. Yeah, just waiting for a CPI here, man. Lots of volume that can come into play today. Lots of range. A lot of news next couple of days. Lots of volume picking up. Prices are re-breaking the highs. You're not gonna get your sells. 15.
Got a 4-hour fake out in an hour if you close bearish.
FOREX still close, but bullish today, yeah. Or bearish, yeah, closes bearish. But these
Yeah, we could close bearish in about an hour, and
you don't think about news, man?
if it stays bearish, we're gonna have room to fill the wick down.
Thing about news here is that this range here is only 100 pips, right? And 91 pips.
Only.
So news can literally be this whole 4-hour candle. It can go up, it can go down 200-300, go up 200-300. I don't know. But what I do know is that volume brings, or news brings volume, and volume brings price action, and price action brings profits, and profits brings, what does profits bring, chat? M4. Why is I would say M4? All right, brown boy, man. You 5-minute timeout. you and Skittle guy. I want to thank you guys. I learned so much about candlesticks just by watching you guys through the process. I also have been trading for years. Oh wow. See, learn never stops, man. I'm the same too, man. I'm always gonna keep learning, keep going. Always, man, always. I'm never gonna.
You and the Skittles guy.
I'm never gonna stop learning and improving. Exactly, WTF Primal. He brings a roof over your head, food on your dinner, food on your table, and clothes for your skin, and comfort. That's what profits brings you. Not M4s, not Lambos, not
Yeah, but do you remember what the
skinny
Skittles
jeans
guy
and
said?
Balenciaga socks? You know.
I'm dead.
You just got that? You didn't hear it? It took you 10 minutes to understand that. You're like, wait, what did you say?
I'm just remembering what he said.
If you know what you said, you know what you said that day, but I'm not going back through to find it. Chat. I'm not
Back to your back texting.
going back to your testing. But yeah, man.
Oh.
Respect from the Philippines, love from Canada too, man. Much love. See. Aaron Carson, man, you can join the skills guys too. I need to pass the challenge. Yo, someone said they're in sales and they're gonna hold. Just be careful, man, because if you're gonna hold,
Nexus.
you're gonna hold, and like I don't know how long I plan to hold for, but it can keep popping up into news, and news can do anything. It can go up and go down, but like just like if you had a stop loss, just trust that stop loss. Like at that point, if the stop loss breaks, the stop loss breaks. Like at that point, the trade probability goes down, right? That's why your stop loss is there. Your stop loss isn't there for you to lose. Your stop loss is there for you to understand that at that point your trade is invalid, right? That's what the stop loss is there for you to understand that trade's invalid at that point, or for you to understand that or for it to be there to protect your account. So if you have a stop loss and it shoots up and it breaks through it, then it just, your analysis didn't play out. That's okay. That's okay. Just close it off and wait for the next opportunity, but focus on staying disciplined for the next opportunity. Don't just focus on making the trade back. Don't focus on winning the next trade, but focus on maintaining that discipline for the next trade. That is the key. Because if you focus on maintaining the discipline, wait for your actual closures, you won't sell down for less, you won't take lower probability trades, right? But if you were to actually focus on winning the next trade, what's going to happen is you're likely going to force positions that you normally wouldn't take positions that you normally wouldn't take, and then end up chasing losses.
What does no bottom wick mean? It's not bottom wick or top wick. It's beginning of the candle or end of the candle.
Yo, Circle, what time was that timestamp at? Because I drew out the little 4 hour to the 1 hour thing, the little special drawing.
Oh yeah.
You probably saw that drawing 1,000 times.
You had a Raven Simone moment.
I think Circle timestamped it. Yo, by the way, if you guys want, every stream has a timestamp. So go back to the comment section and look at the timestamp. You're gonna see
3,100 hours.
Time. Is 130 leverage enough for scalping? Yeah, it is enough for scalping, but you might have 130. I think it's still, yeah, I think it's still rest 1%. I think 100%. Yeah, 31 mark. Go to the 31 mark and you'll see me drawing out the 4 hour candles and no top wicks and all that stuff.
You know, guys, I have a question here. I'm coming from school now. Will gold and NASDAQ move the same direction during CPI? Okay, Bobby, if we knew what the news was gonna do, this stream would be a completely different business model.
Yo, we'll be like, yo, guys, everybody buy stops now.
We would be making money a completely different way. We can see what the news will do, right? And plan for the reaction to the news. Plan what we're gonna do once news has, once the markets have reacted to the news.
Yeah, that's how we know.
You can have a plan even if you don't, for the news and not knowing how it's gonna play out, but you can't know how it's gonna play out.
We're not that good enough to know how it's gonna play out.
They're correlated during news, is that what you're asking? No. We don't know if they'll move in the same direction during news. That's another thing we don't know. Because yeah, they might have, the news might affect them the same way, but there might be orders on one where that we are unaware of, and no orders on the other at a specific level, right? So one might be at a level, the other one might be at like a pullback level. So you don't know if they're going to react identically. One might be bullish while the other one's bearish, and then the other one will go bullish. And
Imagine catching 200 pips. Well, why imagine we can catch 200 pips?
just catch. Give me 200 pips. I ain't tripping.
Problem is, how will you catch it? But you know, I think what was the most pips you caught in a trade ever? Like one trade ever? Like a swing trade back then or something when you first started trading, or now even? Like what was your biggest runner?
I gotta go back. 200 pips, something, 250, 150. I don't know. I don't
Well, when I was 25, I caught 250.
When I was 25, I was catching these paychecks.
Oh shit! I think you're gonna see something else. Okay, good term use. Wix, good term.
You don't give me enough credit.
No, I thought you were gonna go down a whole different route. I was like,
Don has a Wix 9 heart attack at least 3 times a stream. Don knows the potential of Wix 9 and goes, oh, okay.
Yeah. After that one day, man. You know, gotta make sure, make sure things are cool.
I want to hear it. I don't want to hear it.
Yeah, yo, my biggest runner ever, my biggest swing trade ever. This was like in 2019, at December 2019. It was gold runners from 1430 or 1450 to 1530, 1550. It was like a week long. It was a 4-day swing. It was wild. It was end of December 2019.
Yeah, but are you talking about single position or
one position,
the same trade, but like multiple positions?
No, one position, hold and exit. That was around 1,000 pips, basically.
Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, if you go back to December 2019, you're gonna see it.
Back to your back
testing. If you go back to December here, 2019, I think it was around here, chat. Yeah, right there. Right there. The 24th, Christmas, 23rd, 24th, something like that. These days, this is the swing. It was from 1470 or something to like, I think 1560 or 1562, something like that. 1550. That was my biggest swing ever. That was the last swing ever as well.
So you took that W and then you were like, fuck. Or
Well,
you took that
the thing
W
about swings is that,
and you were like, yes, and then you took more trades and you lost them. Yeah.
The thing as well is though is that swing trades, like you don't, sometimes you gotta wait days to weeks for swing setups, and then like I don't know, I think with scalping you can kind of get in, get out whenever you want, manage risk however you want, get out, and like it's
the exposure to risk is much less because you're in the markets a lot less.
Yeah, because like realistically a swing trade, chat, like if you were looking from this perspective, right, if you were to be a swing trader, like what do we catch? We catch breakouts, right? So we'll catch this, swings will catch this. Sorry, let's say a swing trader will catch all of this, right? Us as like a scalper, we'll just be catching this, catching, let's say this, catching this, and then the sells too, like catch this. So it kind of adds up to the same amount of pips realistically at the end of the day.
It'd be really tough to stream swing trading. All right, guys, I'll see you next month.
I told you so. No. But swing trading is good for a lot of traders, I guess, who don't have time to be on the charts actively. But what's that counts as USD? This is USD. This is East. This is East.
XAU. What did the guy say?
XAU.
Exhaust. I trade exhaust. Asshole.
Aldi. Beamer. Benz with the roof off. How your brother? I'm doing good. How are you, man? Yeah, Asian session tonight, right? You doing Asian tonight? Is there news for Asian? No, there's not.
No, 8 p.m. Eastern. Show up. How was your Asian session last night?
Was not there.
Did you trade?
Nope, not. Would you caught 10? You caught position?
No, we didn't catch anything.
Yeah, it was dead, right? It wasn't bad,
it was moving up when we were looking for sells.
Yeah, it was like right now, basically.
And then we discussed, yeah, it exactly what it was. Now looking for sells coming back down.
Yeah, at this point,
the daily's really bearish. We need to come up and we'll start re-breaking the daily highs for the buys. Break the highs for the buys.
Hey man, that's a real one. Yeah, chat. The 1 hour closed bullish here, so we closed bullish here back into this range here. There's a high chance you can probably drive up here, yeah, to fill his wick or fill these ranges here. But the issue with this is you have news here in about 29 minutes here. So again, I don't think I'm getting a trade honestly today until maybe 8:30, 8:35. So the next 30 minutes or so, feel free to take a little break if you want to get some food, because I likely will not have a trade because you have news incoming here, and I'll wait for news to play out, and then we'll catch a piece of the markets right after news at 8:35 to 8:40, 8:40 and such. All right. Yeah, you can pop up, but I won't be interested in buys here just yet. I'll wait for news, and then after that, we'll just come back to the charts and reanalyze. But you got another 25 minutes of just honestly waiting and chilling here. So yeah, can't do much. Can't do much. I need a coffee though. I need to get something, but I don't drink coffee no more. Oh, I need some prime. What's a nice turtleneck? Oh, it's the C word.
Huh? C word here.
Where to watch an Asian session stream? It's on Wixnight's channel. Search Wixnight on YouTube. A link pops up, or his streams pop up, pretty sure. What do you think with CPI news, Canny? I'm gonna wait for CPI news to play out so it can go up and go down. But whatever direction it goes into, however numbers come out, I'll hop on a trend right afterwards. I'll gladly hop on a wave. I'm not trying to catch the whole entire move for CPI. I'm only trying to catch a piece of the pie. I'm not trying to come to first place. I'm trying to come to second place. And coming in second place requires me to let the market does what it does and hop on a trend right afterwards, right? You want to be a bandwagon today. That's what you want to be. Market goes up, you buy. Market goes down, you sell. That's it. No buy low, swing high, or sell high. You know, I like to buy high and sell low. What piece of the pie with a big lot, small? I mean, same 20 lot I've been using all year. Same 20 lot I've been using all year, man. Same 20 lot. You guys will see. Around 8:35, 8:40-ish, you'll see. No, do not gamble today. I mean, you can gamble. You can do whatever you want to do. I'm not going to stop you. If you want some excitement, go ahead. You know? Have fun with it. But just careful with slippage and all that good stuff.
Play Frogger. Real life. Nah, my life exciting enough. I'm good.
Well, for CPI, if the actual is more than forecast, gold goes bearish, right? Well, if the numbers come out, so CPI here, you have three folders, I think. You have CPI, monthly, yearly, and or YY, and MM. So CPI, yeah, I think actual gradient forecast is good for currency. So as long as numbers come out positive above 0.5 and then 6.2 and then 0.4, as long as it comes look greater than expected, the dollar goes up and gold goes down technically, right? And then vice versa. If numbers were to come out bad for a dollar, then likely gold will drive up. You'll see a push in price, but again, it's not really anything can happen during news. You may see a situation where numbers come out bad, and then you see gold just driving down as well with the dollar for a bit, and then later on returns back up or something. But a lot can happen during news. That's why I don't want to play that game. But you can play the game. We're boring. I know news for our stream is a little boring. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little boring, but hey man, you know, chat it is what it is. It is what it is. Would you rather be safe and sorry, or would you rather play stupid games with stupid prizes? You know what I mean? When news comes in about 23 minutes. 8:30, man. 8:30. The more you fuck around, the more you find out. Do you get scared if your cam points on your bed that you leave it on accident or some shit? Nah. All I gotta do really is do this. And shut it off. If anything, it's more scary having my laptop than my actual webcam. Can you say my time you have news? Hold on, bro. Like, come on. You can't be that lazy. Like, how do you expect to be profitable when you're asking me to tell you your own time zone for news? How? You can't. Come on, man. You know, like, news on forexfactor.com, it says it's at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. You gotta go on your Google. Let's say 8 a.m. Eastern to UK time. I don't know where you're from. Like, come on, man. I don't know. First of all, I don't know where you're from. I don't know where you're at, so I don't know what time zone you're in. But you cannot be that lazy. You're not gonna get anywhere in trading if you're that lazy. It's not gonna work. This is not. This is. You'll never make it out if you're that lazy and you can't set your own time zone. Come on. Just a bit of hard work. Just a bit of hard work. You'll be fine. Just a bit of hard work. It's not that hard, you know, just a little bit of type on Google, get an answer real quick, and then just, you know. When you want to trade, again, like I said, 8:35 to 8:40 after news comes out is when I'll be looking at positions. The wick sign's still here. I thought you dipped for work. I mean, for not work, for school.
Nah, I ain't playing yesterday's games.
Are you staying here today, or are you dipping?
Oh, yeah, we gonna miss school if we need to. Shit.
I'm like, you're so quiet. I thought Wicks left, so I took you off cam.
All good.
Can you please tell my phone number and address? Who, Wicks sense? Right.
Don't be giving out my address though. We giving them my addy.
Right. Right where?
No, they gonna come visit me right now. No.
Right.
I fuck it. We were right near the beach, boy. Love you too. Have a good day at school. All right. Oh, what time is your pickup?
Ah, shit.
Love you.
The mom's driving today, isn't she?
Yeah. It's early release day. Those are the worst days.
The kids, you said the kids don't like when the mom drives, no?
No, she was begging me, helping me out. Like, she was like, Dad, can you please take me?
Ow.
Like, not today, kiddo.
You know what we've been looking at for news though? We've been looking, you know how we look at the, you know, when an account makes a high and then the low and the rebreak of the highs with the current trend. If that happens today, we'll look and take it. So Chad, what I mean by that is, let's say news comes out, right? And let's say price makes a high. So like news comes out, boom, price does something like this. It goes boop, boop, right? And then it slowly, or sorry, it goes like boop. Hold on, let me replay that a little bit. So let's say news comes out, 8:30, it does something like boop and boop, right? And as it does this, and it has a low, usually what I tend to see is on the rebreak of a low, with the current trend, so today's current trend is bearish, like with the current trend of rebreak of lows, in today's situation, you can take a sell off the rip and have a stop above the high. The issue with that though is that you're not always gonna have the greatest stops, and the stops might be big, so that's why sometimes I may not take them. But overall, I've seen, like, I've been sample sizing that news candle, every news candle since maybe like September, October of last year. I told myself I'm looking at taking them this year, but the issue with that is it's just I can't figure out stops. Like it's kind of hard to have a stop loss.
It's a perfect explanation of how I'm actually looking at news, with the breakout coming down, with the pullback, you know, re-breaking its most current high, right? So we'll re-break these highs, come up, test top of the range, and as we start coming back down again, right? Like here, you can get these closures below here, but on the higher time frame, this just looks like a whipsaw. It'll break a low, right? It'll come back, re-break highs, and come back down, and that's your entries.
Yeah.
Back down. But on the higher time frame, it's actually good. It's boom, boom, and then as it starts coming back down. The thing is, news adds volume, right, and tends to send the market in the direction of price action. That's what we say. That's what we see. So it's price action is printing.
I mean, they are expecting good numbers today, but you know, chat.
I guess we'll never know.
But yeah, like I said, it's price action is printing. It's printing. Like when you backtest, do you look at a candle and say, "Oh, that was a news candle." No, you don't. You say that's a candle closure above the range or below the range. Oh wow, that is a nice 15 closure. Well, 14 minutes, chat.
Around here.
Yeah, it can flip bullish too. Chat, the thing about buys, like let's say that were to happen for a buy situation and you break the highs, I wouldn't really be taking the buys. Like I'll watch it drive up. It can definitely drop towards 65 if it does break the highs here, but I don't want to play that game to where I take a buy just yet. Maybe get a range 2 form. Like I don't think I'm interested in buys until above. Like what do you have, Wick? 65?
My identical level, yeah.
65. Let's see. Why swing trade is bad now? It's not bad. I never said it was bad.
Yo, we had those levels since last night. It's Asian.
I think I had the same levels for New York session too. Because I woke up today, it tapped the same level. I woke up today and I saw gold going down at like 6:30 or something. Why is it not changing? That's the fair time of the month CPI? Yeah. Yo, chat, if you guys are having buys on sales, I'll say good luck, man. Good luck. Good luck. Again, man, please keep in mind news can do anything. You can see price pushing up, see price pushing down, whipsaws here and there, slippage. You're gonna deal with a lot of things you're gonna deal with today. Okay, so just if you're in a trade currently and it's before news, make sure you would do managers aggressively because again, news can do anything, right? The last thing you want to do is be in a trade and you have stops to break even and then you get slipped and it goes back into a negative. That is possible as well.
Make sure you wear your helmet.
Yeah, make sure you wear protection today. Have a stop loss. You know, chat. Just I'm gonna be a safe guy today. I'm playing the safe side. Wait for news to play out, and then I'll hop on a trend. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay. No buy stops and sell stops for me. I'm sorry. Those words may break your heart, but hey, it's Valentine's Day though today, so you know. Gold may break your heart again today. What are you gonna do for Valentine's Day?
I don't know. Keep it awkward.
Alright. Yeah.
Just gonna come home and cry about not getting a Valentine's Day gift.
Where's my Valentine's Day card?
You got a card? Gotta take the money. Gotta keep that money to take out the honey. Damn, what you guys be buying today, huh? Who's buying a Birkin bag today? You should buy and sell now, see where it goes, and close the opposite one. You can go first. You can do it first. Oh, you go first. You do it. You do it. It's gonna be a beautiful morning.
Y'all say go first. Yeah, go first. Every time someone says, "Yo, Dom, buy now," and the thing is falling like it's falling like a knife, right? Someone's like, "Buy now, Dom, buy." I'm like, "Okay, you go first." Next thing you know, I never hear from them again. I think it's going to sell. I think, you know, all these comments in the chat that involves the word I think, I believe, man, you need to change up your vocabulary. The word I think does not work in FX. You have to see, and then you have to do. You can't just think. There's no thinking. You think emotionally. You know what I mean? Don't think. Thinking is banned in this chat. You can't use that word. Don't think. No emotions in this chat.
You guys have too many thoughts.
I'm going to copy you, Don.
Many thoughts.
You're going to copy me watching me miss the move. Hold on. Busted. Coffee or tea? Tea. Tea. I stopped drinking coffee.
Crumpets.
So what I do? Buy or sell? Jeez, guys, come on. Alright, guys, I'm in no protection. Alright, bro. Good luck. Hope everything goes good. You follow NBA Youngboy? Yeah, I do. I love LeBron James, especially when he scores a goal. Touchdown. You seen that Vine? Wix? I gotta show you that Vine, bro.
I've seen it.
I love LeBron James. Especially when he hits a touchdown. No, scores a goal, hits a touchdown. No. He scores a goal, hits a home run, touchdown.
I love basketball, especially LeBron when he be intercepting the ball and then get a home run, touchdown.
Oh, wow, that's really different. All these guys in the chat mentioning they're gonna take buys and sells. Hey guys, just, you know, I wish the best. I wish the best today. I hope all goes good for you and your trading account today. I hope all goes good today. Me, I'm gonna just sit and watch. But yeah, again, your focus time today, chat, is don't leave the charts at 8:20, 8:35 to 8:45. Like that is a crucial time today. Okay, so we'll be on the charts at that point, but we'll be on charts until like 10 today. But at that point, at 8:30 to around 8:30 to, I'll say, 8:45 is a very crucial time. So you want to be here and locked in. She gives you a funny content for Valentine's Day. She'd be wifey material. Somebody actually did that though. They're like, yo, I'm trying to buy my boyfriend a Valentine's Day gift. Do you have any discounts on your course? I'm like, oh no, I don't. But then they'll end up buying their boyfriend their course. I'm like, oh, that's kind of cool. That's a good ass gift. Not gonna lie, that's a really good gift.
They end up getting them a discounted course from someone else.
Is he in? Question mark. No. When I'm in, I will tell you that I'm in. I'll be like, okay, guys, I'm in a trade here. This is my TP. This is my stop loss. And blah blah blah. No, but you know, I'm not in a trade, so ain't gonna happen. No matter what you say or what you do. Oh, and then I take a sell and buy stop here. 100% buys, guys. I work for the government. All right, bet. JQMZS FX. You work for the government. You know what, guy?
He about to get fired.
You just leaked the information out, bro. The whole chat about to buy now. You just leaked the information. MT5 MT4 is better. MT5 is the latest and greatest software. Go to MT5 for show. Chat. 2 minutes. How is my B, dog? Hey, bro. Pal sat next to me, telling me to buy it. Or Pal just texted you right now. Yeah, huh? Bro has Pal saved on his phone as Market Demon. Split screen watching Donvo and Russian Banks. Hey, let's get it. Much love, man. I love the support.
I wonder if they do that during Asian.
No, for sure. Oh, Asian? I don't know who streams on Asian now. Who else streams, but
Split screen. Wix yesterday's episode.
What's your levels? These are my levels, but I'm not trading news. I'm gonna wait until after news. I repeat, I am going to wait for news to play out, chat. 8:30, and then 8:35, 8:45, we'll be looking for trade opportunities. At that point, once numbers and the whole thing moves down or up, whatever it goes in the direction it goes. But I'm gonna be the safe and sorry guy today. Or like I am always. But yeah, if you're gonna hot box on self stops, hey man, I hope you make a killing today, man. I hope you make a killing today. I'll watch you from the sideline, okay? I'll watch you guys from the sideline. The good thing about news is that you don't gotta worry about where it goes. And here we go. News, we are pushing down. And we made it low. Okay. Can we make a top wick for this 1 hour candle? Because if you make a top wick for this 1 hour candle, then you may see price end up driving. Okay, so we made a low, we made a high. Okay, where to now? Oh, you made a new low. Oh, back up to the high. Okay, and now you are pushing and hovering in this area here. This is what I mean, chat. The re-breakout lows, the issue with this is that, man, oh man, there is a stop loss of almost 130 pips. So that's a no for me, man. That's a no for me, for sure. But yeah, we got a closure in about 5 minutes, 10, and let's see what happens. But I don't think
that was the worst insider trading info we've received.
Just buy it. Hey, I don't know if that was Jerome Powell or Jerome Howell, bro.
Yeah, I don't know.
I hit him up again for a refund on that. All right, everyone's on say that. I told you guys. All right. Word. Who made money today? chat. There's gonna be a lot of volume here, guys. So be careful, okay? There's gonna be a lot of volume. There's gonna be a lot of opportunities here for the next hour or so. So lock it in. Lots of volume, lots of opportunities. Let's see. Let's do some exposure belowsers. All right. So since you guys keep me accountable, I'm gonna keep you guys accountable. I switched to the term buy, and let's see. Jordan said buy. Gamers Crave, buy. No stop loss, guys. It will be fun. Don, enter buy now. Elon Musk said buy. Okay, buy. Let's wait for TP. It's a buy. I told you to buy.
Bye.
Let's see. Let's see who the people who said sell was though. I had buy, sell, and sell stops. But like, yo, even if you had sell stops though, like people who had sell stops, did they get activated even? Like, what happened? Cause like it didn't even break the lows, right? So I'm guessing like nothing would have happened to you guys, right? Unless you guys took a sell off the rip. Shout out to everyone who made money though. Stopped out. Down 100K. Oh man. Hey man.
It's all right.
100K to some people could be 1%, man. You know what I mean? I'm like.
There's a lot of time off stream to make it back.
All right. So people said buy. Yo, whoever that guy was with. Wait a second. You shot him too quick. The buys are playing up. Maybe he was right.
His sells are in drawdown.
No, someone said buy. Hey, you get a closure here, chat. Here's the thing now. So, oh man, this is nice because you get a closure here. The high chance to drive up, but like, what's your stop gonna be? Like, it's very hard to have a stop here in about a minute here. If you get a closure above, I'm looking for buys going up, but man, oh man, you broke the data highs here, right? You broke the data highs. So there's a high chance you're looking at probably 1877 today, 1880 today at this point. Look left, you have clean traffic till then. You get a 5 closure above this range here, above all this range here, you can get buys going up towards like the, again, 18, you're looking at probably 1878, 1880. But your stop loss on the 5-minute candle is going to be 190 pips. So it's going to be a little wild.
Easy clap.
That's for sure. He said easy clap. A little wild. Worst case,
we get a trade.
you get no, you get a support form, then you form that support for 9 a.m. and at 9 a.m. you get a trade. Worst case, because you can't have a stop. It's nearly impossible.
Ain't gonna happen.
Ain't gonna happen. Yeah, it's nearly impossible. That is a nice 5 count though. Very nice 5 candle. Wow. Oh, you're close to blow anyways. That's cool. You're close to blow anyways. That's cool. Yeah. So maybe like the next 10 minutes, chat, like 8:45, maybe you might see something. Let's see. But we're getting close to a trade. Very close. What's risk management done? Risk management? What do you mean? We're in no trade for risk management. No trade. We're not in a trade, guys. I'm not in a buy. I'm not in a sell. I'm waiting for probably a support to form, because if you can form support, at least you can have a stop loss, right, or a low here at least. Like let's say you do something like this where you close bearish resistance here, then later on, like the next 5-10 minutes, you kind of come back up to retest the highs and close above. Then yeah, you can have a stop loss below this level here. And it can be much smaller than the previous 5 low, which is here. You know what I mean?
Hey, 420 likes. Let's see where this is going.
420 likes. Hey, chat, if you guys are joining the stream today, if you guys are enjoying my patience today and seeing price move up and down and in the range we go, like, leave a like on the stream because patience is my #1 source of income.
Or it's up to his OnlyFans too.
Huh? Patience.
You don't know about your evening gig.
What's the CPI result? Oh, sorry. CPI, I think it came out numbers of, let's see. I believe CPI came out positive, and neutral, positive. So, I mean, yeah, it came out good, but gold's also going up as well. That's the thing about news, right?
I guess we'll never know.
But I gotta start cleaning up these zones here because they're kind of irrelevant. Okay, that goes there. The 1 hour zone close up. All right, cool. Let's see, what are we mirroring here as well? Because we came down to 1850, right? What are we really mirroring here? This is gonna be a very interesting forward closure. Very interesting. It's gonna tell you a lot of information here. What is this up here? Interesting. Respect the 1850. I mean, yeah, respect the support, but the thing is, like, the four hour candle closes up in about 21 minutes here. It can still close bearish on the 4 hour candle. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if it does. Like, it can do anything here. So it can close bearish below the range. Like I said, if it closes bearish below 1857 today on the 4 hour candle, then like Wixon said earlier, you'll get the fake out after steeper top wick as well for the next 4 hour candle to drop down as well, and to continue on with this bearish day today. So the good thing about today is that we had levels drawn up for buys above here and sells below here, and we haven't broken out of either direction here today. So it's like,
We literally discussed this whipsaw.
yeah.
We named it, broke it down, drew it about 40 minutes ago. Now that it's happened, now we can start trading price action again. Just expect a lot of volume. We broke highs, broke lows, cleared out all these orders.
Yeah, we got news, got volume, and it's gonna be a nice trade at 9 a.m. I'll tell you that. If gold ends up closing bearish here, look, because look, the 4 hour candle here is gonna close up in about 19 minutes, right? If you end up closing anywhere below this zone to the left hand side here, below this zone, and we close strong bearish, what's gonna happen in the next 4 hour candle is you're gonna see the 4 hour candle likely drive down and come down to flip the ranges and come down to flip the daily time frame, because the daily candle flips, right? The daily candle hasn't flipped yet, but if it does flip, then you're looking at what, 1831, 1825, right? So this 4 hour candle will give you a lot of information. It'll tell you where price will kind of go for our next 4 hour candle, and if it closes bullish, then I mean, we can get buys later on above 1865. But the beauty of this is you're gonna wait to see how things close, and with the way things close, it's gonna give you more information today. And with that information, you can use it to your advantage to catch whatever moves you gotta catch right after at 9. So that's your best bet today, right? No gambling today. Just wait for news to play out, wait for numbers, and just hop on the bandwagon. That's all that we do. Hop on the trend. Be honest, who got clapped? They're not gonna say that, yo. They're not gonna say that. If I were to ask, like, they're always how it goes is like this. This is how it goes. If it's a win, they're gonna come in and chat and be like, yo, not gonna lie, but I just caught whatever. And then there's people who take losses and they just stay silent. It's not gonna come into the chat. No one's gonna admit they took a loss, but everyone's so quick to admit they took a win.
Didn't trade today. L stream. See, I didn't trade today, and I have W stream. See, it's all perspective, bud.
You didn't trade today? Yeah, because it's only 8. Like I said, I'm waiting for news to play out. That's all I said all morning. If you got a pair of headsets, goddamn, you got a pair of headsets, you'll know that I was waiting for news. But there'll likely be a trade. You'll see a trade. Maybe soon. I got you, OM. I got you.
Fuchs' fault I caught pips today. Fine. Blame me.
1% today? Damn. Yeah, that is one long candle for sure. I'll tell you that. See if I broke your heart. Happy Valentine's Day, man. Happy Valentine's Day. It happens to the best of us.
Like, baby, I was gonna get you flowers, but then CPI.
Couldn't purchase it. CPI. Can we have a clap? What?
I was gonna go to class, but then CPI. I was gonna trade after the news, but then CPI. Blew my account, got nothing to lose. Oh yeah, CPI. Bars.
Keep going. I got you.
Other streamer lost 100 racks because CPI. Stream hoppers complaining about it in here because CPI. Now I'm sitting in Don's stream.
Where you stop?
That's not the song.
Bro, you singing a country tone. I gotta turn the thing on for you.
I do a Carlton to this. I was gonna go to class, but then CPI. I was gonna trade the news, but then CPI. Heard about another streamer on CPI. And that's why I don't trade CPI. I just get high. That's a W.
That's a W right there. That's a hit single, bro. You killed it. You killed it.
That's W.
Everybody, CPI.
Just get high.
Top tier, bro. Like that should get nominated for the Grammys.
If we ain't getting an award for this shit,
That
I
was
don't know
Mozart in the
who's-
flesh.
how do we not get awards for this? Stop doing drugs, bro. It's not good for you.
Man, oh man.
That's the street call it.
God damn.
Imagine kids sitting watching their dad. They love me. My kids think I'm funny. That's my biggest inspiration for sarcasm, humor, and silly attempts at satire. Kids.
What is Daddy doing? He's trading
Sing.
CPI.
He's singing about trading CPI.
No, we should do a we should have a fourth concert. We should listen to some FOREX songs, chat. That's what we should do.
Oh no.
Pips pay my bills. How's it go? How's that one song going, chat? Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Whose song is that? Shout out to them. Whose song is that? Someone made that song. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay
Isn't
my
that Ty? Isn't that Tillionaire? Ty?
James, who is it? Jay Wayne? Oh, it's him. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh man. Chat, why do you guys keep saying stuff about other traders, man? You know, hey, if that person made or whatever, hey, it is what it is, you know, but your focus, man, shouldn't be on someone else's pocket. You know, your focus shouldn't be on someone else's losses or wins. Your focus should be on your own trades, okay? You guys, I'll stop caring or worrying about other people, how much they lost, how much they made. It doesn't affect you, right? It doesn't affect you. Just focus on yourself, man. You know, focus on yourself, focus on your own trades, focus on your next opportunity to stay disciplined, and good things will come for you. But you guys gotta stop worrying about other people, man. You guys really gotta stop. You guys gotta start worrying about yourselves more, you know? But yeah, Chad, we have positions here in about 10 minutes here. Looking good. Again, this 4 candle could close doji, bullish, bearish. At this point, it's best to wait for the 4-hour closure because that'll tell you a lot of information here. You might also get the 1-hour gladiator or something here in this case. 446K profit, yes. 446K profit on BlueberryMarkets since August.
Where people think that's the balance. That's not the balance.
Yeah, the balance is over here. Over here. But yeah, all that was just doing the same thing every day, man. That's it. I'll do the same thing every single day. Each trade was
not a single news trade in that half.
No news trades. They're off stream trades, but when they're off stream trades, they were recorded. Right? I made sure to record them, which I still gotta create an edit for you guys. My biggest trade was recorded. It was a 5-hour trade. My biggest trade of all time, 100K day. It was all recorded from start to finish, from adding positions to closing off positions, everything for 5 hours. You trade structure as well? Double tops, head and shoulders? No, not really. I don't trade structure. I don't go based off of head and shoulders. Double tops, and all that good stuff because I go off of candles. Candles tell you all of that anyways at the end of the day. Candles tell you that plus more information. Did you take any trades today? Just got on? No, Stefan, we haven't. Not yet. Almost. We're waiting here. Could get buys, could get sells. I don't know. Whatever the market tends to push in the next 8 minutes or so. You were doing almost 1% per trade, 1 or 2% risk per trade. Yeah. Do you guys like listen to me answering questions? What position are you guys currently on? None. We're waiting for news here. We're waiting here. We got about 9 minutes here, okay? Just wait. Just wait. We had a trade yesterday on stream. I came back last Wednesday, right? And we had another trade last Thursday or something, or last Wednesday, and that's it. Only 2 trades this month on stream because I've been away for half the month. So far. But I think it's gonna pick up today. Is that a funded account? No, this is not funded. This is BlueberryMarkets. This is live, not funded. The pause is at 147. Currently at 549. Not funded. Never was funded ever. It's funded by Don Vote. Yes, sir. When you mark up your charts, why don't you include the wicks in the higher time frame versus body of candles? Because we're wait, what do you mean? Because we're looking at the higher time frame in terms of structure, in terms of where price is going, off of the way candles closes, off the way candle opened up. But when I draw my support and resistance, it's there for a reason. Like for instance, like I draw a resistance here. So like here, let's say you have a support here. Why is there a support here? Because maybe you haven't closed below yet, right? You have all these times where price kind of came down, wicked into these areas here, but they never closed below. So that's why a closure below a body closure will be a strong indication that we have broken support.
He's not thinking in the correct terms. I get him. He's looking at the most recent level and he's thinking, well, what's more important, the body or the wick? That's not the question you should be asking. It's not the body or the wick. It's the overall level in the market, right? Where you've tapped at some point, it could be body, it could be wick, but which level do you need to close below or above in order to drive there?
Like if you're going on wire trades on stream, it's on the spreadsheet.
And a lot of times that's going to fall in line. The level that you need to close at in order to drive on the higher time frame will be higher time frame break of a level or a break of a wick. Oh shit. Man, we got an antique in the chat.
Yo, Marcos, what up? And Paul. Antique in the chat for real. Antique. Not
Collectible.
But collectible. Special edition.
It was a really first season release.
Yeah.
Maybach music.
I make so much money since I'm watching your analysis. You and your IT are so great. Thank you, man. Thank you. You dealt with my arsenal. Look at us now. I'm not gonna lie, Marcos.
I have no clue.
I have no clue what you're talking about. All I know
Where?
is that that Cristiano Messi guy won the World Cup.
Word, he scored a touchdown on a field goal last weekend.
Yeah. Like it was like this Sunday, right? I think Rihanna was at the halftime show for the FIFA World Cup or something like that. I mean, the Soccer World Cup, something like that.
A lot of credits.
Right man's the GOAT. Give him a lot of credit. Yep, he is the GOAT. He is the
A lot
GOAT.
of credits. I need to go reload on my credits.
But Wix9, who is your number one student?
I am the student. I am the number one student.
You look stressed, bro. What do you mean stressed?
Wait, why are you so stressed?
Shit, I'm stressing hard as shit right now.
Stressed.
It's 4 minutes left, man. For our closure. Bro, I hit my stop loss limit for a second, but I didn't lose my funded account. So what happens?
Eugene, is that really your last name? That can't be your last name.
Where you guys from? Yeah, where you guys from, chat? I'm from Canada. Right near the snow. Boy.
We
Cuba? Oh shit, you might swim over to Miami.
we're 90 miles, dog. Not that hard.
Peru? Damn. Belgium? Damn. No one said USA, huh? Jax, Florida. See, we worldwide. Toronto? Hey, my Torontonians in the chat.
Golia.
We should all link up at the biggest McDonald's in Toronto. McDonald's on Don.
Any Tibetan monks in here?
Mongolia. Scarborough, damn. Hey, as long as you're not from Brampton, man. As long as you're not from Brampton, man. You should be chilling.
Word.
You from Brampton?
Don drives through Brampton and his car gets fucking left on bricks.
Wait, Circle, where are you
just
from
drive
again?
through.
Who asked y'all where y'all from? Me. Every time I ask that question, the chat activates. It's either that question or it's a question of, hey, what was your first car, chat? Name me your first car in the chat. Those two questions go crazy. Montreal. RAV4 Audi A4. That's your first car? Damn, you ballin'. Audi A4. Benz, Lambo, and drawing. Mitsubishi Ellipse. Rover. BMW V8 650i. V8, damn. Oh yeah, the old ones were V8. Weren't the old Beamers V8, like the E90s and stuff? Those are all V8s, right? Crazy.
Uzbekistan. Yo, you guys make some good rice pilaf. I want some of that. I'm starving right now.
4 hour closer. I gotta lock it in.
Ooh, closed doji.
Yeah, so as expected, yeah, like as expected, we closed doji because price came up, came down. So what this means is that nothing happened. All you really did was create liquidity, grab liquidity. And what you can say about the 4 hour time frame is that you are in this range here. You know, you're in this range here. You are respecting this resistance support though. I will tell you this. I will say that. So therefore, there's a high chance that you may see this 4 count likely pop up, tap to the 67 levels for the wick at 71-ish. But for me to actually get positions, I would probably need a case. So the 1 hour is closing bullish here. That's cool. It didn't close bullish above resistance. It closed right here, respecting this level here. The wick feels doable, but for me to get an actual position today, I think I'm gonna need a closure above here, chat. I believe a closure above here for me will be preferred because then you can look to drive up to fill the next range. And I think that's a 4 hour wick range. And that is going to be somewhere around here at this resistance here at 1871. Okay. And then you have a minor resistance here, which you can go break even at. But this range going up is around 50 pips here. All you really need realistically is a closure above 1869. And then we can get some buys going up. All right. So it could come now, could come later, who knows? But yeah, 3 minutes left for a closure. If you close above, how big are stops though? Damn, that's a 68 pip stop. Whew.
Oh, damn.
Damn, that's a 68 pip stop. Ah man, that's a little tough. That's a wide stop, chat. I don't know about a 68 pip stop. It's like it's the only stop you can have though. It's literally, yeah, 60, 69, 70. It's near 70 pips. It's a little wide. So I don't think I'm gonna take a 70 pip stop here. That's the most logical stop though. You can't really have a stop that's smaller than that in this case here, right? Yeah, unless you come down, you create steeper current candle bottom wick, you create support because like you do have, what you do have here is you do have a resistance here, right, going across, and you also do have like a minor support here going across. So what you could see here is you may see prices do something like this, or sorry, not like that. You may see price do something like this where it kind of comes down, creates resistance here, and as it creates that resist or support here, what am I doing? Sorry. As it creates that support here, you'll likely see price come back up to retest the highs. And if it does retest the highs and close back above the range, then you can have that as your stop, I guess, wherever the low here is, and then a closure above for free buys going up. That wouldn't be too bad. I guess we'll wait for that because you can't really have a stop of 70 pips. Well, you can, but
Won't be logical.
do you want to have that right now in this case? You know what I mean? You want to have a logical stop. You can't just have a stop loss like in the middle of a candle. It doesn't make any sense, right? Our stop loss is always a logical stop loss. It's a level where price were to break, it's invalid. Not oh, it's 10 pips here because I want to risk 10 pips. No, it's like that's not a logical stop. That's just an emotional stop, right? Like it has to be logical. It has to be behind a reasoning. It has to have a reasoning. But you can't just have it here. Like let's say you take a buy here, you can't just have it here. It's like you break the lows, okay, cool. It can still fly back up. It hasn't broken any lows yet. It hasn't broken any structure yet, right? And that's what you gotta understand about stops too. You have to have a reasoning behind everything you do, especially when it comes to having a stop loss. You must have a reason.
And you want to give a rational explanation as Don, which shows 50 100 day trading, saying that's off stream. While on stream, he literally ends a week with like 10 pips profit, break even, or a loss. Well, I'd say your premise is false. The basis of that question is false. It's not true. What you just said is not true.
Here's the thing, Zhao. So this month, you know, first of all, 10 pips a week. I don't know where you got the information from. You might have watched one stream. But yeah, in a single channel, I think I ever trade in a single channel, right? And because these are trades off stream, on stream, during New York, Asia, and London. And like this is February alone. This is February alone. And I've taken only these trades in February. Only those trades in February. So if you go to February, you're gonna see like all these trades are all from the channel. That's it. I didn't take anything differently. Nothing. Not one trade that was on my own. All called out, all taken myself. And when I did have days where it was like 100K days, which was only once. Only once. It wasn't like it's every day. It was recorded, which is why I record it for people like you guys. Right here, 5 hour long video.
Before, after,
everything, all recorded. So it's like, you know, on top of that, it's not even my own broker. So it's like, I don't know what you're trying to say. If it was my own broker, then cool. You know, maybe get a little sussed out, but I don't own this broker. This is BlueberryMarkets. This is regulated. And like not every day where we catch those runners too. Like again, some days I'll be in a situation where I catch like 6 pips, 5 pips, 4 pips, right? But there'll be days where I catch runners. But yeah, It's not all the time. Where can I find a 5-hour video? I haven't posted it, but it's on my it's on my cloud. It was the 27th of December, so it was right here. If I can get into that. Why is Zoom sharing this screen? That's so weird. Today. 27, that is around. Wait, why is Zoom sharing that screen? Hold on. Stop share. Okay. 27 right here. Oops. Right here. This is the magical day. That was my biggest day of all time. There we go. But yeah, that was my biggest day of all time. That was the video. That was the day of the video, you know, the video proof. But I haven't released it yet. It's just a long video. Yeah,
Why are you dropping it?
I gotta cut it up and all that good stuff first, but I haven't done it yet. It's just a long video. There's nothing in the video. It's just me taking trades. There's no volume.
Don't cut it up. Let it go from beginning to end. Otherwise, they're not.
I don't think YouTube even lets me upload a 5-hour video. What being your biggest loss of your lifetime? No, I lost 40K before. We lost 40K. I lost like around 30K this day. You know, I have days like that. People think that I don't have losses or something. Like I do. It's all my MT5.
They're just not dumb losses.
Yeah, you just
couldn't be uploading for 10 hours overnight.
Yeah.
Yeah, the great Ali, your broker's just on a different roll over time. You're fine, man.
I'm human too, man. I take losses too. Like people think I don't take losses. Like I do take losses. Like I trust me, I do. It may not look like I take losses on stream because we really do take losses on stream. You know, we only had 43 losses the last year and a half on stream. 43 losses only and 138 wins. Like, yeah, but
no,
I do take losses.
No hate, man. No hate, man. I just think it's healthy to doubt anybody who trades live and shows very high growth. Yeah, but you are hating. You're not doubting. You came in here, made a statement that's untrue, and then continued, oh, I'm just doubting you. No, you haven't done your research. You just showed up and, you know, created a false premise and asked us to answer based on your false premise. Not really. That doesn't sound like you're doubting. It really sounds like hating, dog. Typically, if you're doubting, you come in, do some research. If you don't get it, what you're looking for, you know, you spend some time here, and then you can doubt if you in your own experience, right? You can't just listen to people. Come here, see how we trade, watch the streams. The trades are done live, accounts growing live, and then if you have doubts, you know, ask.
The thing is, like, you can just, it doesn't matter because like we have a whole spreadsheet of like every trade on stream, right? Like, aren't the stream trades live enough? Like the trades we give live, like this is a whole spreadsheet chat. And it's literally every trade we've taken in the past year and a half on stream, like since January 1st, 2022, all the way until February 13, 2023. And this is the record. You know, 138, 6144. That's at the bottom right. It's all free too. Like, hey, I don't know what to tell you, man. Like, we take trades live. We have a whole spreadsheet that has a link to every trade, has a setup for every trade. I think a lot of people are just traumatized by the industry, and I get it. I get that. People are traumatized by the industry, just all the smoke and mirrors and, you know, all this other stuff. And I get it. People want proof. I mean, what more can I do? You know, like we do it live. We have a spreadsheet, record every data. We have a single channel that calls out every trade. I don't know what else to tell you. Like 20, 30, 50K days are nothing. Trust me. Those are nothing. I know traders that have 100K days every day. Like, trust me. 50, 20, 30K is nothing. Nothing. There's traders there that don't even show results that make millions per day. That aren't even on social media. Like
Yeah, you'll never see them post.
You'll never see them.
Fucking MT5, their terminal, nothing.
If you think 20, 30K days is something, it's nothing, man. Trust me, it's nothing. The markets don't care about my 20, 30K days.
Not everything is, needs to be shared or posted, but if value can be shared and posted, then that goes a long way versus an account balance, right?
Yeah.
Give you some value, you go build your own account balance. It's irrelevant what Don's balance, what my balance is. Like, these are all irrelevant things. The relevant things is how can you utilize what we're doing here in order to help yourself, in order for you to have the account that you want.
Well, hey man, I'm just waiting for a closure above or below the range here, and that's what we're gonna do. So if we can get a closure on gold here below what I say earlier, I said below 18.56. Was it 5.6? Wait, what did the 4-hour do on Blueberry? The 4-hour kind of closed bullish doji on Blueberry, but it's a bearish doji. It doesn't matter. It's a doji. How did TD close? Matter of fact, that it hasn't even closed. It has it. Let me check TD real quick. See how that closed. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, TD broke all the highs and now it's coming back down to retest the lows. Daily kind of still flipping bearish here today. Let's see. 1 hour breaks the lows all the way down there. That's a little steep.
I know the bearish broke 4-hour highs. I know this 4-hour broke the previous 4-hour highs, but it respected our resistance. So I think a bearish move is in order. Yo, this music is loud as fuck. Thank you.
You didn't like the music?
No, I like the music. I just like my voice better.
Right. But yeah, chat, man. Like when I first started trading, here's one thing, man. I'll tell you guys something. I'm gonna tell you guys something here. When I first started trading, I didn't really care how much my mentor made. I honestly thought it was all fake. Didn't care. That was just what was in my head. I just assumed that everything was fake. Didn't care. But as long as that mentor showed me some type of value, or I got something from that mentor that I was able to make myself money using whatever they taught me, cool. I got value out of it. I made money myself. I can care less what he does. So that was my mindset going in when I first started trading. Like whoever I came across, I just didn't care how much they made as long as I could gain some value of their own, of their analysis, whatever it was they did for me. Then cool, it is what it is. But I could care less about the balance. I can care less about how much they made. If it was all fake, and care less. But if I was able to take what they told me and apply it to myself and made money myself, then cool. I made money for myself. That's the goal. The goal isn't to who has the biggest balance. The goal is to, can you make yourself money? So if I was able to do that, then yeah. Who's your mentor, Don? I had a lot of mentors. But this guy right here, that is the closest person to a mentor, I'll say. A real mentor. Uncle Ted, the GOAT, the greatest of all time. Who's the mentor you had to lose 100 pips, stop loss, and take 10 pips? Hey, I don't know who that mentor was, but shout out to him because we eating up, man. We've been eating up this year. Damn, I've been having 100 stop loss all year, taking 10 pips every day, and things been looking good. So whoever he was, shout out to him. Shout out to him, man. I don't know who he was, but hey, shout out to him. Where can you find good Ted? You'll be a lucky person if you find him. What does it mean when someone's your mentor? Like, you know, like they actually talk to you. They actually reply to you. Matter of fact, Ted actually came onto our stream a good handful of times.
Ted shows up here once in a while.
Yeah. Someone who actually talks to you. That's what a mentor is. And that's why I talk to all my people. I don't want to say students because, you know, we're all just growing together. But I talk to all my people on Instagram. If you DM me, I got you back. I will try to respond to you, and I will try to provide some value for you, because that's what all I wanted when I first started trading. I couldn't get that because, you know, ego and all this shit in the industry. No one gave you that information for free. Buy my bundle. Buy my this. Buy my that. No, bro. I want a free. I just want to answer a simple question. So, yeah, man. That's why I replied to everyone. All right, anyways, can we get a closure below here, because we might get some opportunities here. But man, how big are these stops here? You came up to these levels, tap that resistance there, coming back below the range here. You get a closure below. I mean, yeah, realistically, sells are very valid. It's just your stops are going to be very, very wide. Man, what time is it? 9:19. Okay, 9:30 is in about 10. The thing about waiting for a 30 closure is the 30 closure, you might see the discount pushing down by the time you get a 30 closure. But the 30 closure would be more ideal as well, because in 10 minutes here, you will have a 30 closure, which is a higher time frame. You can actually see how it closes, and you will actually see if it actually respects these lows here to the left, or will it close respecting, or will it close below? Because you have these levels here that are being respected. If you get a closure below, you'll likely see price push down to fill these ranges. So, but you need a closure. That's the thing. Which IG handle? It's Dunville. Should have messaged right again. Please just screenshot it. These are people who I came across. I'll put a star next to Ted though. Yeah, you screenshot it. You probably don't even know half these people. It's just people I kind of picked up things from, you know, just things I learned over the years, bit off the bit. How do you keep this? How do you draw the levels are? I keep drawing them different from yours. Well, the level I have on gold right now is off of the 1 hour time frame and 30-minute time frame, right? Also the 5-2. But like you look at it and you're gonna see that, you know, you have a 30-minute time frame closure in 10 minutes here. So if you want a position, you probably want to wait for a 30-minute closure below the ranger. And for that to happen, you need to wait for the candle to close, and you'll see if we're gonna close respecting support or below support, right? So you're gonna have these rejection levels here to the left, right here, rejections here, rejections here, rejections here, resist support here, all these wicks here, and you need a closure below to indicate that you're actually breaking below support. Because if you close below, what you're gonna see is you're probably gonna see price mirror this candle right here and fill the range here because it's closing below the range. So the next candle like might pop down like this candle to the left and these candles over here. So you're tapping into those levels there, but you need a closure to indicate that, which is in about 7 minutes here. Right, because all these other wicks have done one thing, all the ones that have rejected, and they have all closed respecting the support. Not one candle has closed below, and when they did close below, they actually broke through. You know what I mean? So that's why I have a level at 1855.6.393. Cool. Can I find your Instagram? It's downvote. ITSD1VO. Yeah, I'm Vietnamese. 1.9k viewers. Yeah, chat. If you guys enjoyed the stream today, make sure to leave a like, sub to the channel for a potential trade here. For a potential trade today. Potential. In about 7 minutes here. It's just funny because we kind of like really said 9:30 today. Like that's what we said today, and it's time to shine. How do we know 9:30? That's just how the market usually moves with news and price action. Yo, Paul, tier 2, thank you. Paul, tier 2, Mark Antonio, Anton, tier 2, thank you. You have our Instagram accounts? No, just ITSDONVO, and maybe my personal Instagram account, which is DONVOV, but that's about it. I got nothing else. I think I have to rip a 30 candle. Well, depends. Like if I have a stop, if I have a wick fill or something, if it needs to come up here or something, or it can just close below 5.1 when it sells below 5.1. That's fine as well. The daily target today is what, chat? Remember what I said today? The daily target today is 1832, so that is your next heavy support on price. But you need to close below 5.1 first.
This is good. We're gonna clear out range here. Clear out a bunch of orders that didn't hit before the news or during the news.
Yeah. I will say though, don't be sad though. Don't be mad today, chat, if you get no positions though, because like I always say, days of news, like you guys heard this before, after days where we move aggressively, is sometimes we may not catch a position on the day of news, but the next day when you have the remaining news volume, that is our day where we usually catch a lot of trades, a lot of opportunities. I said that last time for FOMC. Next day we caught two trades that day on stream. So, but no, we're gonna try. Well, we're gonna see what we can do here. It's not up to me, it's up to the markets really to show me something I would like to take.
21.
Yeah, yes. All this clean traffic below 5.1 even. Yeah, 4 breaks the lows there too. 1 hour is about to break the lows in a bit. In about 20 pips here, it will break the 1 hour lows. Plenty of opportunities. You won't take a trade out to break out lows? No, because stops are wild. If I were to take the 1 hour breakout lows, the logical stop for that would be 160 pips, and that's a no for me. Do you need the market to go up or down? I don't need the market to do anything. I need the market to just be the way it is, and I hop on the trend.
What's the deal in hands?
Realistically, chat, nothing has happened yet. We haven't broken on the range we drew up all morning. Like, nothing realistically has happened yet. We kind of just came up, came down, came back up, came back down again. Nothing has really happened yet.
What's happening? Break that 4-hour low. That time, chat.
Oh, breaking 1 hour lows here. Almost.
About to break the 4-hour, yeah.
That's the
Previous
low
4
for
hour,
our
previous
CPI.
4 hour.
That's where the lowest created earlier. And did not break it yet. Did not break it yet. But you have a
Drop
30
down to the
closure.
next range.
I really want us to break the lows and come back for a wick fill. That would be great. Because then you can clear with that 1 hour candle. You don't got to worry about being a bullish candle still. And then you can, oh, there we go. There you go. So you broke the lows. So if you can come back for a wick fill now for the 30-minute time frame, that would be perfect for 9:30 here. NYC open sells off the rip once if you pull back to 5.5, 5.4, but you don't have a lot of time. I'll tell you that. I mean, you can take sell below here, but stops. How big are stops below here? 50? Oh man, 70.
It's good. What it does here, typically, you'll see it come down. It a lot of times it fills this range, and I have a range here until 1846.2. I'm sorry, 1846.4. Once it gets there, it might reject, but it should fill the range on such a high volume move, breaking the 4-hour highs, grabbing liquidity, news played out. So once it fills that range, it'll come back up and leave a wick for us trade. But I don't think that wick is going to be within this previous 4-hour wick. It's just, I mean, we'll see it. If that happens, we'll take it. But once it fills the range down to 1846.4, it can come back to 1850, 1851. And that's our trade from 1851 to 1846.
The daily is so clean too now. Like,
yeah,
closed below yesterday, broke the highs, create a topic for the candle high, and then now it's flipping bearish.
We've been discussing this since this area right here. Since you go back to the daily for a sec.
Wait, you have closure in about 8 seconds there.
Yeah.
I don't really have a stop for this. Like, this would be a perfect trade, but I don't have a stop. Like, I can't have a 74 pip stop. I can't have the previous 5-minute stop. It's very, very difficult to have a logical stop here. And like the trade, if I had a smaller stopper, and let's say the stop was maybe around like 50 pips, whatever, fine, cool, I'll be in. 100% I'll be in off the opening, but it's also a little wide.
So if this is the 30, you need to come back and grab more liquidity.
Yes, I mean that would be preferred.
Which will create a 5-minute range, right?
Which will create your stop loss.
Which will create, in turn, create your stops.
Yeah, I mean, what happened last time you closed below? Where did we come off the top?
Stop loss set. Just open for a top wick.
5-1.
I mean, if you don't get a top wick here, you get a top wick once you hit support, and you'll come back, make a resistance. It's coming. It doesn't necessarily have to be on this specific candle, but like I said, I'm expecting it to fill the range, the small range, down to 1846.4. I think 1846.4 is when you'll start to, I think, we'll see it, but 1846.4 is the level for us to start rejecting, returning. Oh, smacked it, drove right through it.
Yeah. Like I said, like if it wasn't for the big stop loss, I'll be in this trade 100%. 100%.
The volume, holy shit.
Yeah.
Because
like you have you have nowhere to go today right now. Like look at the daily, you have nowhere else to go but 1832. There's nowhere else to go. Look on the daily, it's just all clean traffic here, all clean, nothing stopping price here. You already had a stoppage over here, but then you close below, and then today after you create a high, coming all the way back down here, you're gonna mirror this whole entire range here. There's nothing else to mirror here. There's no other form of traffic whatsoever on a daily.
Well, the thing is, that's the good thing, that's the daily, right? We're gonna mirror that on the daily, but on the hourly, on 30-minute, there's plenty of levels to take advantage of this, right? This hourly candle is not gonna bleed off your screen onto your keyboard.
But yeah, no FOMO, chat. Like I said, if I wanted to take a trade, I would have taken a trade, right? But I said I wasn't gonna take it because my stops was big. And I'm not gonna sit there and say, "Ah, fuck, I wish I would have took it," because I wouldn't have taken it in the first place. I wouldn't have taken it, and I won't take it, right? It's not a position I would take because stops are a little wide there in that case. But maybe once you get a top wick here, you know, for the 30-minute candle, potentially, or once you create resistance,
Pull back for the hourly.
something. But you're looking at 10 probably at this point. If you didn't get it at 9:30, you're looking at 10. Like, that's your next opportunity.
Yeah. NGL is strong today. My NGL indicator is through the roof right now.
Yo, chat, if you guys are new, stick around because there's gonna be a lot of free content this year for you guys, especially this website that's coming out. I think I showed you guys a glimpse of it the other day, but
Yeah,
a lot of
here for
free
December,
stuff for you
for
guys.
Christmas.
Free beginner content, free content, everything involving your strategy, everything.
Christmas 2024.
Yeah. So look, price at this point could drop all the way down towards 32. And I will have no bit of FOMO whatsoever. Like, just imagine it already did drop down, you know? Like, you're wasting your time FOMOing over, what, a 200-pip move, 100-pip move, chat? When the market's gonna print the same shit again in a couple weeks, couple days? You have news the whole week. So, like, there's no need of FOMO when it's not your trade. No need at all. You're wasting your time. You're wasting your energy. Like, just drop it. But if it was your trade, execute every single time, right? I had to buy stuff on GJ and call it a day. What's GJ doing? Oh wow, it's going up. Wow, that's a nice 1 hour closure, huh? No. No, sir. Will we get a top wick? Will we actually get a closure respecting resistance or something forming? By the way, chat, just a reminder, these are 5-minute candles, by the way, right? And this, we're looking for 5-minute stops, and this 5-minute candle is 60 pips. So this isn't like a 1 hour candle where it's like we're, you know, this is a 5-minute candle we're struggling to find stops on. So it's like, it's a lot of volume for sure. A lot of people love these days.
Welcome to the 2023 volume. We are underway in our 2023 volume season. We're going to be entering Q2 pretty soon, and this should be the typical volume for the next 5 to 6 months. Enjoy
Yes,
it.
sir. Yes, sir.
I think you take this trade off stream. What trade? There's no trade. There's no position. There wasn't a
There's no position.
position to enter.
Yeah. Maybe might be on the wrong stream. Because if you're, I mean, yeah, if it was off stream, shit, I wasn't gonna trade it right at this tip and close for right here. No, I wouldn't have taken it. I'm waiting for this form resistance here, or form a logical stop loss for me. So
That's
it
what I
could
get a
form,
lot
could
on my
not
stream.
form.
I get a lot of that on my stream. I had an entry at 1866.18. I'd be like, what? It's a good entry. That's really good. Damn, you should stream. What's your stream link? I just YouTube Wix 9.
Read your comment. What comment?
By the way, chat, while I have 2,000 of you on here, Asian session plug here. So shameless of me. 8 p.m. Eastern tonight, Asian continues. We are in another Asian session week. There's plenty of volume here for New York, so we're gonna hope it carries over to Asian session, and if it does, we'll have some positions. Wix, fix your lag on your stream. I don't have lag on my stream. That's probably YouTube. We had
That's your
600
Wi-Fi,
people on ya?
boy.
No, my Wi-Fi is great. I'm hardwired. How about that? I hardwired my computer. So it's definitely not me. The delay on stream yesterday was 3 seconds from my Zoom, between my Zoom and my YouTube. Wix with that weak internet. You crazy. I got gig speeds. I got half a gig speeds. Definitely not me. But yeah, 8 p.m. Eastern tonight. Show up. Asian continues. We've been killing it. Oh, it's coming up. I don't know. I had a level of rejection at 1846.4. Or 1847.
Yeah. Is the seller replay happening right here? Right here? What's happening here? Because what is this formed over here? Let's see. You have a support 1844 400. Yeah, no, you're still respecting. No, it's really a support form. I mean, yeah, you get a bearish candle resistance, or you come up to tap 1850.
I don't know.
Like,
These stops are over 100 pips.
Like, what you want probably is you probably want to see something like this form realistically. If you get the fake out, cool. Back below the range, we'll take our sells then and there to drop down. Like, this would be the sells we'll look to catch. Okay.
Plus, you'll also grab liquidity from this range back from these wicks.
Yeah. If that forms, we'll be in. If that doesn't form, we won't be in. Simple as that. There's no this will form 100%. No, it's like we're just assuming like if this were to happen, put resistance here, cool, we'll be in there. On to our next idea, right? But if it doesn't form, then it doesn't form. We call that a day. Simple as that. With zero trades today. Y'all missed the move? No, I sold gold at 2020 and I bought gold at $1. What are you talking about? You missed the move. You see right now, you just missed this move on the 1 minute candle just now. You missed that move too. You just missed that move, and you missed that move, and that move.
I guess it really depends on what your definition of
that move,
the move, is. What is your definition of the move? I mean, we have to be speaking the same language in order for us to have an intelligent conversation, right? So let's keep it intellectually honest. What is the move? When you define it, we can speak about missing it.
Hey, Diego. Thank you for
you've been
4999, brother. I appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. Much love.
Where in the world is Diego? You've been MIA for 2 weeks.
Yeah,
Thank you
you
for
wish
showing up.
I needs his money for his coffee, you know. God damn.
Wix, I really like you, sir, but you're not live on your channel. But yeah, you're right. We are not live on my channel. We're live on Don's channel, and then in the evening we are live on my channel.
In the evenings when it's party
Please.
time, you know. What do you grab, Wix? Tonight you're gonna be grabbing the red what? You're grabbing today?
Am I grabbing? I'm grabbing pips today. PTR Entertainment. Join us 8 p.m. Eastern on my stream. You could like me there too. Please show up. Like and sub to the channel.
Dumb. Why give him $49.99? You are dumb. It's called support. Like, people be supporting. You're just a hater. Like, what do you mean? Just you telling me these streamers out there can't get donations because they have $30 million contracts with Twitch? Like, bruv. Kai Sanat got like a contract with Twitch, or Aiden Ross is got a 150 contract yesterday with Kick for streaming.
They're getting
and
$1,000 donos.
He's getting $1,000 donos. Like, it's called support. Like, you're just a hater. That's what you are. It's just support. That's all that is. This is
It's
love.
crazy. There's thousands of streamers, but all of a sudden, fucking one FOREX fucking guy streams. All of a sudden, he's a copycat. He shouldn't be fucking taking money. Like.
This is support. It's all love. That's all that is, man. Just support. You can support anybody, however you want, whatever you know.
Thousands of other streamers, really successful streamers with big contract streamers.
But it's not.
Nobody calls them copycats, or nobody calls them fucking, you know, oh, this is fake. You know, you're getting money from followers or subscribe. They got $1 million contracts.
Nah, but for real though, man.
This is really for you to show that you fuck with us.
That's all that is. This is love. This is love, man. That's all that is. Because it's not like I set up a GoFundMe page and I say, oh, go donate me money, and I go buy M4 with it. No, it's like we don't ask for anything. All we do is ask for likes. You know what I mean? It's just love. That's all that is. But yo, 1999 Heartful Pain. Appreciate you, man. Oh wow, you actually might. So you came out to tap that resistance. I mean, yeah, you close bear shoe. We'll be in like swimwear. We close bear shoe, have a stop above his hide, and have TP down here.
Oh, we're gonna retest lows.
This is good. 41 seconds left for closure. Can you close bearish here? Is the question. Guess
If
not.
not, it's the next candle. The next candle would have
Yes.
to.
The next candle.
And delay.
Chat,
Oh,
if you wait
shit.
out more for position and you don't have one yet, it's okay. But don't waste your time. Don't waste your morning's time taking a position now, forcing position just because you want to take a position. You just wasted the whole morning. You should take an impulse in the morning. Why wait 3 hours to take an impulse, right? So if you wait out morning, keep waiting. Don't waste your time by taking an impulse trade.
Stop wick here, break of the previous candle low, print thread, and then the very candle in 5
I think
minutes.
you have a 15
Scan.
closure below here.
Stop
Or
wiki.
15 close something, I think. Let's see. Ah, 15 close right there, respecting. Yeah, I really want that 5 to close
next
bearish.
5.
Yeah, if you
Well,
get a top
the
wick in
next-
a bearish closure, like this,
And
right?
break of the previous candle 5, I think would be ideal.
Like this would be
Because then
ideal.
you're below that 15 level. Yeah, exactly.
And yeah, that's
It
the
doesn't
onion.
really necessarily have to break that previous high. But if we can come up there and grab some liquidity in that
5-6,
area,
5-4.
it'd be ideal if you break the previous 15 high or previous 5 high, because look, if we grab this liquidity and then came down but couldn't flip, that means it wasn't enough liquidity to drive, right? So maybe we can come back up, break this level, grab more liquidity, have a steeper wick, then drive. It'll fall in line with what Don was doing, and then 15 levels are right here, right? So then at that point you'd be below the 15 levels and the 30 levels, and then you can just take the rest of this for the wick fill, go break even here, and then runners. But we'd want to come up and grab liquidity in these areas.
Yeah, you're looking at 5-4, right? 5-4, 5-6, anywhere in that zone as the most recent resistance here. That's what you're looking at right now.
Looking at this area and these wicks right here. So see this wick right here, wick right here, wick right here. Just look at areas we could reject from, grab. See? This whole area right here is one big rejection in here.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Looks like it may be a 10 a.m. trade. 10 a.m. You have a 1 hour closure as well, which will determine if you're going to close below the range or not. So going back to what we said earlier about this being a heavy support here, if you close below 1880 or 1850, then yeah, next 1 hour candle, say goodbye, because you're looking at 1843 and then eventually 1832 and all that good stuff as you make your way down towards the daily target with the daily candle flipping bearish and the 4 hour candle breaking out lows with clean traffic.
Hope you're this energetic on tonight's stream. No, the evening stream, the Asian stream is the wind down stream. Never that energetic, but we get a lot of value. Yesterday we had 2 straight hours of value, just discussing positions, London session, making plans for our levels. So there's a lot of questions. So there's a lot of value. Didn't need to be high pace or fast paced. It's just, it was valuable though, right? So always got the energy. It's not always on the same level. Because it's the evening, right? It's right now. I woke up and in the evening after the entire day in the gym and all that, and you're like, but we keep it going. Just got to realize less volume, wind down session, more chances to ask questions, less crowded, right? Or more opportunity for discussion. Thank you, Manchester. Appreciate you.
All right, so you didn't break the highs. You kind of just rejected. You're gonna close bullish here again, though. But the one thing you notice, chat, is you're closing bullish again, right? But pay attention. Resistance. Yeah, pay attention to where you're closing bullish, because you're closing bullish right now, respecting this resistance here to the left-hand side. So still respecting, which is key. Just like the daily time from the other day. Closed bullish or respected. And guess what happened afterwards? You guys remember that day? Who remembers that day, chat? If you guys remember that day, put a 1 in the chat. But remember how I said how as long as, even though you closed bullish today, you're closed bullish respecting this resistance here.
Good.
And already needs a bearish candle closure below for price to drop down.
Thank you.
That was on Monday stream, I think, or Friday stream. And that's what happened today. Today's the day where we pushed down. Whereas 1832. Yeah. Because, yeah, you gotta pay attention to where it closed. Not just the color of the candle, but where it closed. Did it respect? Did it close below, right? Those things matter. Look at that. You got a topic for a 30-minute candle after coming down. How big was that push? 70 pips? 60? 55? Not too bad.
How long do you trade already? 4 years.
We've both been trading for 4 years. Both of us. I was on a... yeah. It's a beautiful morning.
Oh, yeah.
A beautiful morning, he coasted M4.
I swear, that's my 2 favorite days. The day of the news and the day after the news. My 2 favorite days. 420, no?
Yeah, the day after news is usually my best days too. Those are the better days. The days right after news.
And 420, yes. Actually, you know what's a really good day? 419. Because on 419, I'm pre-gaming. I'm practicing for 420. I'm doing my 420 routine on 419 and getting it right. So 419, like, I'm going to sleep knowing what day is tomorrow, right? I'm like, yeah, bitch, tomorrow's 420. It's never too early. Pre-game in 420 is crazy. 420 Eve, that's a holiday in my house. What's the name of the guy with Don Vo? I don't know. Don, what's the name of the guy with you?
Some guy, I don't know. I picked him up at a booster.
Oh, I don't know why you let him on, weirdo.
For real.
I never liked him.
He is annoying, man.
Mad annoying.
His name is Wix9. He goes by a name of Wix9. Wix9's a goat, man. If you guys don't like Wix9, you guys will eventually like Wix9. That's how it works. I did not like Wix9 at first. He actually, fun fact, got banned on my YouTube page 4 to 5 times before I don't know how he made his way onto the Zoom call, but he eventually did. And now I love the guy. That's my boy.
I don't know how he says 4 to 5 times. Don, he banned me. And then he was like, nah, I banned Wix. And then he was like, I ban Wix all the time. Then he was like, I banned them 2-3 times. Now it's like, I banned them 4 to 5 times. I think by next year, the story is going to be Wix is banned right now. I don't know how he made it on here. I don't know how he keeps creeping in here.
You got to keep the story interesting, you know?
No, but I was banned from here for a little while. No, the thing is, I came in here and Don didn't even hear me speak. He was just like, "Oh, that's a troll ban." I was like,
his name is Wix9. Like, who names themselves Wix9? I'm sorry,
I was like,
but
"What the fuck happened?"
at the time, it was peak Wix9 season too, or it was peak 6ix9ine season. It was a peak. It was the when he got released from jail, and he went on IG live, and it was during that time period. And then this guy comes on. Who's Wix9?
He's definitely a troll ban. Fuck.
But I don't ban people no more. If you get banned in a chat, it's about a mods. You did something wrong. And I'm sorry, but the list is too long for me to go back and find your name to get unbanned. So you're gone forever.
Yeah, that was 3 years ago.
Yeah, bro, we were streaming for 3 years basically. That is insane.
That's fucking crazy.
3 years
3
every
years
day
ago.
for 3 years straight. Yeah, that's 3 years straight. That's a lot of time I spent on stream. I spent more time on stream than, you know, do anything else. The retest is nice. Yeah, this is real nice. So we could flip bears from the 15 and have a self stop, or if you can just close below the 5 with excels. But yeah, if you flip bearish, you have to break in the highs. I'm fine taking that sell all the way down towards 832, but I don't think you're gonna get that. You're either gonna get a close below or something else. You're not gonna get just a flip low and just drive. Yo, what do you guys do for Valentine's Day today, though? Chat.
Avoiding my girl.
You guys, I mean, if you guys got a loved one or anyone, what are you guys doing? I got dinner, but about it.
What's for dinner?
I'm looking at some restos. I don't know.
Some fillet mignon?
Raptors game. Sheesh. Okay, with those CPI profits, I see you.
Taking my girl out to Chuck E. Cheese. Bring me the rat. I want the rat at my table.
Long wicks. Okay, I respect that. I respect that, bro. I respect that. You know, I respect that. Treat my left hand doing the movie and Skittles. Yeah. Man, oh man, y'all funny, man. Y'all funny. Stick out, boys. You know the dance. I'll cook off you, Don. Yo, you can have it, bro. I'm not a great cook. I can cook, but I can't cook. Remember, we really called out the whole entire move today, didn't we? Shit, if we were to put a trades call chat, it would be called plus 1,000 pips, right? Back then, we used to have a thing chat and it called trades called in chat. So it was so cringe, but a lot of traders did it back then. A lot of streamers back then, they did it. They had a thing called trades called, not trades taken, right? Two different things. And it'll be like, oh, I called this trade out. I called that trade out. And it's just like, you can call anything out. But if you don't take shit, then you're not taking shit. You can't be a word for that. I remember we'd be like, oh yeah, 50 pips here called. Trades taken, 10 pips. Like, what? Why do you take the 50 pip trade then? Mango and rice. It's not Thai. That's Thai dessert or something. Mango and rice and coconut. That's good. I love that.
Oh man, I got this big ass plate of food in front of me. I don't even know where to start eating.
Can I see?
Can you see it?
Shows the goodies, bro. Shows the goodies. Jeez. Hotel food it is. Yo, you haven't changed your plate yet, huh?
Same
fries,
plate. This is actually
what's that? Avocado.
No, this is avocado.
Tomatoes. Oh my god.
They're seasoned, bruh.
2 eggs.
Yeah, I'm slacking on the eggs today.
2 eggs. I thought you only eat yolk or something.
No, I eat 5 egg whites and 2 egg yolk, but with all this shit on here, I'm not gonna be able to eat another 3 eggs.
What's that, bologna sandwich? Yo, always tomatoes, bro.
No, that's not bologna. That's salami.
Salami. I love salami.
That's salami with some. Yo, these tomatoes are sprinkled with truffle salt.
Those tomatoes look red, man. Are those real tomatoes?
Truffle salt. No, these are plastic, dog. Look. So, yeah, go, you can grab it.
All right, you have a 1 hour closure, chat. As you can see, you did not close below 1850. You closed respecting 1856 or below 1856. Yeah, you closed below here. There's life. The 30-minute candle closed respecting resistance as well. 15 closed respecting. Realistically, all you need is a closure below 1850, but it's a gamble here because we don't know if it's gonna close below, or we will waste our time sitting here waiting for a closure. So what do you guys want to do, chat? You guys want to wait till 10:15, or do you guys want to call it a day here? Because either way, man, off stream, I'll look for a trade. If it's not on stream later at 8:15, because I'm waiting for a fake out. If it's gonna be, it could be 11 a.m. Who knows? Like, I can't control the time. Wait, okay, I'll wait. I'll wait until maybe 10:15, and then if nothing happens by 10:15, then I'm gonna call it a day. Call it a day and probably call it a day forever. Not a day forever. Call it a day today in general. No trades for me myself. All right, but I think for the week I only have 1 trade, if I'm not wrong. Only 1 trade this week. Been slow. No, not forever. My fault. I meant like the rest of the day. You know, no trades for me. Off stream or on stream, I'm probably done if they don't get traded just by 10:15. But tonight's Asian should be live, so I'll definitely try to see if we can do something there. And then tomorrow's session, New York session, is gonna be live too, because tomorrow's New York session, you actually have more news tomorrow. You have retail sales. You guys know what that means.
Now, when you do a 24-hour stream, will you be on between like 3 p.m. and 6 p.m.?
I'm asleep.
How will that work?
I'm
You don't sleep on stream?
I'm gonna join a Zoom call on my Beamer and just drive around my Beamer with the Zoom call on. That'll be my 24-hour stream.
Makes sense.
I don't know. I'll do something. I'll try to get the thing, bro. If I do a 24-hour stream, I'm gonna try to do it in Miami or something.
There's gonna be Contexto and Weaver up the
There's
wazoo.
me games, giveaways, all that stuff for the 50K subs. Yeah. I'm trying to go somewhere else to do it. Trying to rent out a whole crib and then have different rooms with different video cams and all that. Something. PC giveaway? Yeah, Paul, we link up. We come to Miami. We gotta link up. Call my facts. Yo, how's Vancouver, bro? How's Canada treating you? They haven't deported me yet? Yo, yo, you're about to be gone very soon, bro. Be very careful. Yeah, but wasn't the Canada border scary? Marco said he was scared crossing the US border to Canada. He's like, yo, it's wild. Call it? Oh, I'm here for another 10 minutes here. We might still have life, but I think we're done. Ain't gonna lie. You brought weed over the border? Yeah, you're not supposed to bring weed over the border. It's legal there, but you can't bring it over. Just to make sure, off stream we would look for 5-minute closure below 1850. Yeah, below 1850. If you get a closure below 1847, that'd be cool. And then you look to drop down. But by the looks of it, looks like we may just start to come back up, close doji, and hover in between 1860 and 1856 for the rest of the day. Unfortunately. Do you get chocolates for Valentine's Day? Not yet.
Got these cheeseburgers, man.
You think a playbook is good for Bitcoin? I think so. Because candles are candles at the end of the day. They're all the same price action, right? Price action is price action.
Human psychology is human psychology.
What? Farce. Timeout. Go against the wall. 5 minutes. Say sorry.
Relegate him. Relegate him to tier B. To
Apologize right now.
going down a level. Heading in the wrong direction, Farce. What's the deal? So realistically, why did this pump all the way to 1864 and how could we have caught it? News. Teddy bear made out of roses. Just go to a gas station. They got those gas station tents set up, right? The last minute tents. The doghouse tents.
You know, somewhere out there right now to buys.
Is the world's worst trader.
Huh?
You said somewhere out there right now.
Yeah, I'm watching this video, bro. I don't know if I can show it on stream. It's in a Ross clip, but. Dun, 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 dun. Doesn't it feel good today, chat, to not take any trades? It feels good, man. It feels good. I saw price move a total of maybe 1,000 pips today almost, and I didn't catch one piece of it, and I'm totally okay with that. Because you know what? I'm gonna come to the chart tomorrow, and I'm gonna look for the same stuff that I've been looking for all year long tomorrow. And guess what? I take a loss, I'll take the same trade again. I'll take a win, take the same trade again. But what I do here is, all I do is follow my plan, follow the playbook, and take only what's accordingly going in my playbook or in my playbook. And that's it. That's all we do. Anything else? Nope. Ain't for me. But yeah. That is all we do, chat. Nothing else. So if you feel frustrated today because you didn't take any trades, that's okay. You know why? Because next week on this day, you're gonna come back and be like, wow. Remember that one time last week when I wasted all my time FOMOing and taking impulses when I shouldn't have in the first place? Exactly. So again, the market's here next week.
Could have approached today's trade with a bigger account, but I didn't.
Yeah.
Because I was out there trading news.
Yeah, exactly. Next week you'd be like, yeah, I could have had today a bigger balance today, and my account will be up a lot more, but I traded news and blah blah. You know, like, see, preserve your capital for your own or for your trades, and I know enough.
Could have had a big account, but then CPI.
You guys look at the fake out, but looks like we're in the range. Ain't gonna lie to you. Your mentor Raja lost about 20k. So what? That's like 1% to him. Hell, I'm not baka watching. My mentor gonna lose 100k. Doesn't matter. I learned from someone, and but he's not my mentor. Right? I'm gonna tell my mentor. But you know, like, I'm gonna take a lose his whole account. I don't care. I still learn from him. He's still my mentor. Still my guy. Wickstein can blow 1,000 accounts. Don't care. He taught me how to make money. I made money. Still my mentor. Don't care. Right? Don't worry about the people's balances, bro. Worry about yourself. Worry about yourself, King. That's all you have at the end of the day. You don't got nobody else. It's you. When you're paying taxes, it's you. It's your name, not their name. It's you. So. You learn something, man. You can't, you know, doesn't matter. Can you take that down move and start loss the previous low? Well, the only trade I said I would have taken today was this one right here, off the 30 closure. This one right here. This is the only trade I would have taken today. But I said I didn't take it because stocks were wild. I said how if it wasn't for my stop loss being 70 pips, I would 100% take the trade. 100%. It's just the stop was too wide for me, man. Way too wide. 70 pips. Sheesh. All right, you're up 700 pips, 700% this morning. All right, cool. So next week, come to the chart, come to the streams, and let me know how much you're up by then. That was the most disciplined trader. You know why I'm disciplined though? Because I want to win. That's why. And that's why you guys should be disciplined too. Because you want to win. Every time you're not disciplined, you are set to lose. Discipline is my #1 source of income. Patience is my #1 source of income. But yeah, I mean, it depends, bro. Like I said, like just because I was disciplined, it doesn't mean you like it's different for you because you might be looking for different subs. Say if you had your subs that formed and you took them, that's your position. Like don't mind what I do, right? I'm just waiting for my subs. You're waiting for your subs. Like that's all that is. As long as you took your own subs, say you won. Doesn't matter if it was a win, loss, break even. Doesn't matter. You waited patiently for your sub. You won at the end of the day. You deserved it. That win.
Wasn't Don. It was you.
It was you, yeah. Is the train count in your name? Yeah, it's my name. Of course it's my name. What's bus name? What does that mean? Oh, business. Okay, cool. Nah, it's my name. Well, it's my name that's under my business. You know what I mean? It's like it's my name on Blueberry, but like overall, the profits are going to the business bank, so it's going back to the business basically. You know what I mean? But the account, this one is Don Vo. It's my name. Because it doesn't matter what you change your name to, as long as it goes to a certain bank.
It depends. It all depends on where that withdrawal wire goes.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. You can have it, you know, go Felicia.
Ah, Felicia.
Yeah, but the taxes are like wherever that withdrawal goes, that's where they tax you on, right? So you want to go to your personal, okay, go to your personal, but you can get taxed on your personal. You want to go to your business, go to your business, but you can get taxed on your business. That goes. But yeah, I think that's the best way to do things, to be honest. Make sure it goes to your business, okay? Because you don't want to F yourself up on taxes. Oh man, but chat looks like
Most of you ain't even making that much. Fuck taxes. For now, fuck taxes. Start making money first, then taxes.
Yeah, chat. 30 seconds left. Looks like you're not gonna get a closure below the range, so looks like you're gonna call it a day because you're back into the range. And if you're back into the range, you could drive up, but I am not interested. And say goodbye because it's gonna be a day with 0 trades today. 0. But tomorrow, well, there was news tomorrow. I'll say it's an algo day, but you have news tomorrow, so it kind of sucks. You have no idea like this today, tomorrow. Well, let's see. We may get trades, but hey, no trades is better than 0 trades, or no trades is better than a losing trade, right? Especially
Word, farce. You better behave tonight.
You were impulsive. But looking back at today, would I have caught any trade? Probably not. Even looking back, I wouldn't have taken anything. Trust me, nothing. Just move on to tomorrow, man. That's it. Tomorrow's a new day. Enjoy your profits. Enjoy your profits this week, this month so far, because it's been amazing. 0 losses all month. I think we're 7-0 or something. We have 228 pips secured, full closures too. So it's been good. It's been good. But yeah, chat. I mean, hey, let's move on to tomorrow. And let's see, what time is it? 10:15. Okay, I'm gonna play a game real quick. Wordo, just World today. No other stuff. All right. And then we're gonna call it a day. But if you guys are leaving here, I love you guys. Thank you. Appreciate you being here today.
Period. Any given day that you lost discipline?
No.
Honestly, you know how they say that saying, like, don't do something until you get it right. Do it till you can't get it wrong. Right. So this is what we've done. We pretty much, well, for me personally, my mindset is at a point where I can't get it wrong. Right. It's not that just, oh, I got it right once or twice, or I just get it right a lot. No, my mindset is at a point where I can't get it wrong.
Also,
it is what it is.
Like, I've had so many of those days where, like, you know how I was talking about those days where you lose, like, you have a full month of consistency, then you lose all within a day. I've had so many of those days to understand that those days aren't worth it. So there's no point at me, you know, losing my discipline because I know what that leads down towards. That leads towards those days, and I don't want to have those days anymore. And that's why I'm here. So why would I go back?
I'm not talking about specifically about trading, right? I'm talking about your mindset, your state of mind. Just right. Do you have a mental breakdowns, and it's you might not be as locked in from time to time, but mental breakdown where it comes to risk management and overtrade and all that. No, we're at a point where just can't get it wrong. That doesn't happen anymore. And you can be off on a trade or not as locked in or miss a level or just something, but a day where everything goes to shit, no.
Alright, chat. If you guys start trading today, love you guys. Or if you guys start trading today, I hope you guys use protection. Have a stop loss. All the haters, all the lovers, appreciate you guys, everyone. Thanks for coming by. Leave a like, and we'll be back tomorrow doing the same thing we did today. Okay, so I'll see you guys there. And Wix now we're streaming tonight, so you'll see you guys there. I won't be on for sure. I'm on Valentine's Day, so adios. All right, so trade. All right, DE.
Cloud.
I'm not gonna let my brains fry today. I can't.
Got the D right. Always get the D right. Found.
Thank you.
If this shit ain't found, this has got to be it. This is round. No, sound.
I can see sound. Can you see sound?
Yeah, I'm tired of carrying your ass. You better work on this one.
Can
You better work on this context stuff.
See sound.
Yeah, if you have few too many coffees, do you have a Cuban coffee in the morning? You could see sound. Yo, move to Miami and go get yourself a fucking cortadita or a fucking culada, and you'll be seeing sound.
To start the experiment, you are going to begin with an empty bowl.
Oh, I hope she doesn't start dancing.
Then you're going to take some saran wrap and you're going to tear off a piece. This is where you're going to take some uncooked rice and you're going to pour about a teaspoonful on the top of the saran wrap.
Oh, you're
This
gonna
is
see
base.
it bounce and vibrate.
Bro, what?
Yo, if she don't
Once the rice is on the
fucking
saran
hit it
wrap,
right now,
in,
I want to hear the drop on this
and
loud
we're
ass
going
bass
to
right now.
hear- So can you tell me why when I bang on the
She must be a
metal
fun
pan, the
mother.
rice moves? Leave a comment below to submit your guess, and then visit Cool Science Experiments headquarters.
But Ma, I want to go play with my kids. No, we're gonna bang on a pen and watch the
sparks
rice
fly,
move.
and the fuel will be darker. This technique can be used to see anything.
Damn, you can see sound, huh? The fuck are you watching?
But
Hey,
can I
man.
please go to the park? No,
this
we're
is
gonna
a-
watch sound.
This is what you signed up for.
We're gonna watch at sound.
Hi, how are you? Matt Watson here.
All right, chat. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go.
That was mind blowing, mind banging. It's all in the course.
Yeah. Yeah. New update coming soon. How to see sound. All right, chat. For real though, I'll catch y'all tomorrow. All right.
We in context that we were in.
I'm gonna get in one word. Wood.
Wood. That's not even a word. I call it. Stone. Piece, red, gold, color, metal, metal. Plate. Place. Ooh, place. Gold, place, castle, church, museum.
Huh?
Course, gold, course, place, restaurant, bank. Course, place, gold, golf. Golf, sport. Court, field. Rink. Race. Yeah.
Why couldn't I just go? Water, bottle, cap, plastic.
No, action in place. Gotta be. Racetrack? I don't know. Run.
Place.
Home.
Bruh. Bruh. What is
Did you guess
the...
igloo?
Yeah.
I wonder what sport action place takes place there. Igloo. Store. School. Money. Ooh, getting close here. School. Place. College, uni. Hmm. Practice. I'm supposed to be the franchise player, and we here to talk about practice.
Do 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 do.
Degree.
Oh, winner. What the hell?
Loser.
Loser. Winner, I guess loser.
School, university, winner, champion.
Did you realize that you were a champion? I know.
Goat.
Winner,
Winner.
medal.
Medal. First. What was it? Award.
On that note, call that a day, okay?
Yeah, I'm fine with skipping. Is it skipping? Skipping on the Weaver.
Yeah.
Look at that Weaver shit. Kim's not here.
Peace out, guys. I'ma holla at ya. Peace out. Laters, alligators. Oh yeah, leave
Later,
a
everybody.
like. 700 likes right now, chat. Let's get it.
What do you mean? There's 800.
Oh, we have 800 likes? Oh, you do 780. Oh, thank you, chat. Much love. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. But yeah, peace
Bing,
out.
bing,
Have fun today, okay? Make sure you wear protection. Make sure you use a stop loss. Today, especially.
Later.